Guys, welcome back to another stream. Hopefully you guys are having a good morning. Um, what the hell is Amy doing? I literally woke up and I thought I was reading, like, I didn't get it right away. I was like, well, hold on. They did what? And my first thought was, first of all, M. Crease, how did you know? Two, why don't you tell us next time? All right, so AMC right now is up 3.67% in the pre-market off of this news on HYMC. So we're gonna pull this up here. Okay. This is interesting. It's just kind of weird. I don't know why they're doing it, but we'll take a look and see why and see if we can figure it out. All right. So here's the filing over here. AMC Entertainment Holdings announced a significant investment buying 22% of Highcroft Mining Corporation. Let's see. Independent third-party studies confirm that Highcroft Mine has some 15 million ounces of gold deposits and some 600 million ounces of silver deposits. In addition, AMC will receive an additional 23.4 million warrants in Highcroft at 1.07 a share. So if okay, I'm trying to think about, yeah, HYMC has jumped 100%. So AMC just made at least, where is it? How much they put in? Oh, it's right here. Sorry. How much was this? I mean, they made at least 20 million bucks, but I don't know how much their investment is in this. Like, this is crazy. This is wildness. And then Adam Aaron's tweet right here, and this is what he's commenting about it. So the strength of Spider-Man No Way Home and the Batman, as well as 2022 providing industry box office, heighten AMC Entertainment's conviction that we are on a glide path to recovery. Our strategic investment being announced today is the result of having identified a company in an unrelated industry. I like this, dude. That appears to be just like AMC of a year ago. Are they gonna squeeze? This is wild. This is crazy. So, hold on. Where's the tweet? It too has rock solid assets, but for a variety of reasons, it has been facing a severe and immediate liquidity issue. Its share price has been knocked low as a result. We are confident that our involvement can greatly help it to surmount its challenges to its benefit and to ours. Okay, and then we have this over here. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Today's gonna be a wild day. Amy's coming back. I don't know. This could be an interesting one. Then we have Ryan Cohen coming out here and just basically just stirring the pot. Look at this. Where is it? Look. This is short sellers are the dumb stormtroopers of the investing galaxy. Ryan, chill, bro. Don't we have earnings in 2 days? Like, hold on. Like, Ryan, can't you just like chill out for a bit? You know, we got earnings in 2 days, pal. Spy flying. This could be a bullshit candle. Amy's coming up with it. I don't know what the spy's coming up. So, I mean, oh shoot, I have that spy strangle. Where's Para? I do have Para. Ooh, down. Ooh, down. Chill out, pal. Dude, it's just crazy to me that he's just like, oh, yeah, the shorts, no. And you're just like, wait, bro. We got earnings in 2 days. Shut up. We can't have any silliness. You just loaded 1,000 shares of HYMC as a YOLO. Let's see what happens. Not at 1348, but hey, we got to support AMC. That's true, man. That's true. M. Creeks have been calling out HYMC for a while. Amy over here up 3.76%. Spy's trying to do its thing over here. GME up 5% in the pre-market. I mean, it's bouncing off of those lows. But again, I mean, up 5%. AMC getting some, I mean, it's just interesting news. Like, they literally said, yeah, basically they have no liquidity because they've been shorted. Like, we're going to give them a little money and pump them. That's crazy. And then Ryan Cohen buying BBBY, he did the exact same thing. So, tinfoil hat. You guys ready for some tinfoil? Are you guys ready? You guys ready? What if the AMC GME partnership is never going to happen? But you're seeing it happen right now. What if it's like Ryan Cohen and Adam Aaron just kind of looking and being like, all right, this is what we can do. Actually, that doesn't make any sense because Ryan Cohen personally bought BBBY. Okay, never mind. But AMC did buy HYMC. Sorry. Sometimes things make sense in my brain and then I say them and I'm like, why are you stupid? And then we end up here. So my bad. But guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Let's do a quick Ortex update on Amy going in. Is this refreshed? Oh, it is refreshed. All right, let's see what we got. Oh boy. Oh boy. Shares on loan going up. Almost 130 million shares on loan with about 7 million shares estimated to be sold short. Nonsense. We got 252,000 borrowed shares, net borrow of 251,000, 1.49% average cost borrow, 20.75% estimated short interest. Woo! All right, people. Let's see what we're going to get over here. STB having a stroke. It happens sometimes. This is so far above my head. I don't know where AMC is going with this one. I just want to see the retail popcorn hit the streets ASAP. Okay, so let's just put this into perspective. I don't know the date of their purchases. I don't know when AMC purchased this. They've announced it. They said they've recently purchased it. But if it's anywhere like back here, I mean, they ripped it today. Like it's up 87%. But if they were chopping off any shares way back here and they didn't get up to the disclosable amounts, it happens. They've made a shitload of money. Like a shitload. HYMC Ortex. Okay. I'm excited today, people. This is gonna be a fun day. All right, so what the hell? This is crazy. 2.5% utilization 7 days ago, 100% utilization now, 335% average cost to borrow, 21.93% estimated short interest. How many shares on loan? 16 million. I mean, that's only about, let's see, $25 million worth of, no, more now. So, for like $40 million worth of shorts. It's not a lot, but you could squeeze the shit out of this thing. All right, man. This is going to be a cool day, huh? I'm getting some HYMC. Don't care what it does. Good luck, man. Good luck. I might be buying some HYMC to see where it goes. All right, man. Let's have some fun. Let's do it. We're going to be traded today, 1348. You guys know the deal by now. You guys know the deal. GameStop. Woo! Candle. What if A bought HYMC to get it on retail's radar? Retail buys HYMC as it squeezes. No. Dude, this is the thing. This is the wild thing that's been happening. We've been talking about I haven't really been talking about it, but I've been pulling it up on the screen over the past like 2 weeks, I think. So somehow he knows. This is weird. M. Kriegs, I don't know what you're doing over here, pal. I don't know if M. Kriegs is in here right now. But M. Kriegs was talking about HYMC. I know it was one of those stocks she told me about. Then everybody in the live chat started talking about it when these mining stocks and these gold stocks started to go. Same thing with oil. Then Adam Aaron just buys it. What is going on? I want curiosity. This is funny. Dude, it's hilarious. It's awesome, though, because AMC's up. HYMC is up. It's like, okay, cool. Let's see where this goes. Really? That's so weird. I know it's weird. And it's funny because I wasn't really looking at it. People were actually, this is the funny thing. If you guys remember, we were in here and people were like not happy with me because they were like, this dude won't even pull up HYMC. And I'm like, relax, people. I'll pull it up. And then we do. And then now it's just part of the short squeeze saga, I guess. It's crazy. Rhode Island. How you doing, buddy? How do we do pre and post market alerts without options? You don't. So you just kind of look. You just kind of look and see like where things are in terms of like you just kind of watch it. I don't pay attention to any of really the crosses. I pay more attention to if it's going to cross and where its relation is to the 200 EMA before market open. That's kind of what I look out for. All right, people. Little bit of green today. I'm feeling good. Green and caffeine. That's what we want. I mean, that's what we have, but you know. Was that AA using Gasparino like an alias? Where's Gasparino? Did he tweet something? Oh, dude, don't you give me everything today. You can't just give me everything. We can't just open up with everything. No. This guy. How long before the price be okay, ready? Here's if you guys remember yesterday with all the shills in the shill voice, here's what we got. Ready? Every single time we read a Gasparino tweet, this is what we're gonna do. Tim, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate. Yep, AA on it, 9:45. Oh, Fox? Is it on Fox? Oh, you know we're gonna be watching that. You know we're gonna be listening to that. All right, so ready here? How long before the AMC Apes and that pseudo finance dude? Who the hell's the pseudo finance dude? Start blaming Kenny G for manipulating the price of gold. Huh? That's what you sound like, Gasparino. A fucking moron. All right. So, seeing. Okay. CNBC Live. Watch CNBC Live. No. You're in the TV. See, last time I did it, it pulled up Bloomberg. So let me see if I can get it correctly over here. This is Bloomberg again. Okay, so I need to find the audio because we're just gonna listen to the audio again. That's what we did last time. We just listened to the audio. Yeah, live audio. Okay, so I've got the audio over here. Let me know when he's coming on. And then we'll do it. 9:45. We got an hour to go. People love the Ryan Cohen tweet. Dude, today couldn't get any. I mean, it could be better. But market works out good. Let's see. Prep for the snide remarks and the interviewers. Fuck them. Sorry. I'm hyped up today. VXX? Oh boy, hold on. Did it do something? Okay. It's how? So this is the stuff that you got to look out for on VXX. This is no longer a good tracker of volatility. It's just not because they have no supply to balance it out. This is no longer a good indication of like I would use UVXY now. It is up 5% in the pre-market with the SPY green. Doesn't make any sense. What are you looking at today? Ooh, STV kid in a candy store? Yeah, bro. That's what the deal is over here. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Help get some more people in here. What did I miss? So Adam Aaron bought shares in a mining company, gold metals, which is pretty interesting. Ryan Cohen basically made fun of the shorts. Gasparino's talking nonsense. We have Powell tomorrow. We have what do you call it? We have Adam Aaron coming on CNBC at 9:45 to just kind of give us a little bit more insight into what's going on. I think he's going to say something. He's going to say something interesting when Fed's meeting. Stop it. Wait, tomorrow? No. What's tomorrow? Please tell me. No, Adam Aaron's probably coming on today. No, Adam Aaron's definitely coming on today. All right. SPY flickering. Hope you're good. Simon, I'm doing pretty good, man. Oh, man. Hope he makes CNBC eat the words. Yeah, check out Apple broke below the daily 200 SMA. Used it as resistance yesterday. Ooh, rate increase. Rate hike. Yeah, we are going to be getting a rate hike. Most likely. Amy. Oh, here we go. The Discord exploded over the news. I bet it did. Yeah, FOMC's tomorrow. Money Vix. Drop Spy flickering merch. All right. If you guys want merch, you can. People are gonna get mad at me for dropping AMC new pre-market highs over here. But I can tell you right now, I think last year I made $100 on merch. I think this year I made $60. So t-shirt millionaire over here, people. All right, so let's see. Visa, MasterCard look good. Yeah, PayPal also probably. I mean, I have my Spy Strangle for tomorrow. Let's see what happens with that. I mean, Spy's up a little bit. I need more. Amy, go. 14. I mean, it's only at 14.14. Go, Amy. Go. Come on. Let's have some fun. I'm Batman. You're selling t-shirts and mugs. All right. Yeah, no. Everybody knows. I made those for me. You want them? Get them. If you don't want them, don't buy them. It's 6:44 a.m. here. Coffee is brewing. Let's get that market maker money. Again, show that like button some love. I appreciate that. All right, here, people. So Amy's making new pre-market highs over here. We're having some fun. Woo! Woo! Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm Batman. A just probably triggered something. Yeah. Yeah. He did something. AMC buys in gold and silver. Yeah. My $14 golfs for Amy are looking good. Yeah, I think I told you guys the last Friday that I got a couple of Amy YOLOs for this week. They're not YOLOs, but like they're close to the money. Well, they're not close to the money now, but they were 4.5% in the pre-market here, people. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm gonna. I mean, I'll probably make some trades today. I don't know. I feel like today, like when everybody says like don't trade emotionally, it's what you're not supposed to do. So I might not do anything. Probably shouldn't. Or I'll just do like $100 YOLO and then just cut it. Just call it a day. Is it related to the HYMC thing? Well, yes, it's very. Look at Walmart. Don't. Oh, Amy, 5%. Here it comes. Walmart. Ben Levine, where you at, pal? Yeah, it's coming up a little here. Amy looking spicy. What's the difference between daily and monthly calls? How do you know which is which? It's just the expiration date. Holy shit. It's fire for this. Just clock it in, sort of buff it. There we go, man. A is taking silver back to the next level. Oh, that's a good tweet. Here waiting for the breakout for Walmart. Attaboy. What's up, Ben? Ben, good to see you back in here, buddy. Hope Atticus is doing good. Amy, now 5.5%. Woo! Good thing I don't have any neighbors over here and it's spring break, man. So I can yell as much as I want and I don't have to worry about like people waking people up. I don't really care anyway. I'm like kind of an asshole, but you know, I'm excited. What would that cause? Okay, so here's what it would cost. If AMC put some of their capital into this metals company and it significantly goes up in value, well, they are now worth technically more because they now have more assets. I mean, they would increase because they have just more money. Landon, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Hey, friend, best of luck on today's trades. What I missed this morning? Okay, well, kind of a lot, man. It's more of just like we got Adam Aaron buying the metals. So shares of the metals company. The metals company's up like 80% right now, I think. Let me pull up HYMC. Oh, Ben. Walmart popping. Yeah, so HYMC right now is up 93%. Dude, imagine if all you had to do was just like buy something and then just be like, hey, I bought this. And then it's up 90%. That's crazy. Then we got Ryan Cohen basically comparing shorts to like stormtroopers. We have Powell tomorrow. We have Adam Aaron coming on at 9:45, which we will be watching, people. 100%. The new guy. What's up, man? Thank you so much for the super, man. Good morning. Let's make some money today. Let's do it, dude. Let's do it. Pay off their debt. Yeah. Let's see. Hey, you know what? Let me be excited. Shill's super angry. This is the thing. Like, I sit. You guys watch my video from last night. Is AMC over? No. No. Oh, man. Here we go. Let's get some more boom booms in the pre-market over here, people. Maybe my 25 AMC calls will print today. I thought you had like 50 of them, bro. I thought you had like 50 of them. Oil is down. Yeah, oil has been coming down. The commodity trade right now, I think is, I mean, unless you're trading HYMC, but like overall, I'm probably staying away from like Oxy, X, a lot of those until we start to see crazy stuff start to pop off again. So glad I bought the dip last night. There you go. SV, you are the hardest working YouTuber streaming pre-market and post. Do you ever sleep? I try, man. I try. I do my best. I'll be able to get a lot more sleep now. I'll be a lot more relaxed now. Just chilled out. Luigi, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Jacked. There we go. Serious question. What's your question, Caesar? Oil sub 100, which means gas prices coming down. Yeah, dude. You know what I paid for gas yesterday? I had to drive all the way back to like where my parents have like their apartment after moving. I think I paid like $5.50. I think that's what it was. I looked at the thing and I was like, damn, dude, good thing I have 1348. And the car that I have now takes like the highest gas, which is not good. And that's really expensive. So like, I think the car that I'm getting today, which I think it's going to take normal gas, which is good. HYMC is up 100%. Damn right it is. 102%. Walmart needs to break 145. Yeah. All right, people, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. That's all I ask for. Helps out a whole lot with getting more people in here. Today is going to be a crazy day. Engage with the content. Helps out a whole lot. Thank you guys so much for all your support recently. I think we're about to do some interesting stuff. Also, I got to call Share Intel again because those people didn't call me back. So, you getting a Tesla? Nah, I'm not a Tesla guy. It's just not for me. Nissan GTR? No. You have the Lambo. No. No Lambo. Give me like a year and a half, 2 years. I'll get a cool car. That's what I'm thinking. Year and a half, 2 years, I'll get a cool car. Right now, no. Ferrari. That's what I would get if I had money. You're selling your GTI? Want it? No. Batmobile? Yeah. Did I buy any Highcroft? No, I didn't. You asked? What's your question? You got to type it again. I miss some of them sometimes. Smart car. C8. No. Guys, you think I just can come around here just willy-nilly spending crazy money on cars? What do you think? Who do you think I am? Smart car. Funny. All right, HYMC is coming up again, 105% of the pre-market. SPY's holding here. Amy, little red candle, but we're still at 4.87% of the pre-market. GME's up 6. Woo! Go-kart. Q50s are nice. Infinities. Yeah, those are nice. I thought you were Ben Shapiro. You thought stocks are going up today. Who do you think I am? Gabe? Yeah, exactly. Let's see. Who on the toilet this morning? I don't know. Maybe me in a little while. Who knows? So if AMC dropped today again, then I wouldn't believe on good news. Whatever, it's good news. They can do whatever the fuck they want, but it looks decent. It looks decent. If AMC bought 22% of HYMC and HYMC is up 100%, AMC has to increase 22% today. Is that not late? No. AMC did not put 22% of its own capital into like they bought 22% of the company. Let's see. Tim, thanks for the super buddy for SCV Sports Car Fund. All right, you guys don't have to do that. That would piss people off if you guys were trying to buy me a car. Don't do that. Dude. Tim, I appreciate the supers, but I really don't want to have to deal with the people on Twitter. I just don't. A Vespa scarf kind of guy? No. I'm buying a bike. There you go. The new guy. Thanks for the super. What did AA buy for AMC? He bought 22% of Highcroft Mining, HYMC over here. So that is what he bought. AMC now mining. So he's been talking about this. So here's the thing. He's told us that this type of thing was going to happen. What he essentially said was he was going to use some of that capital in areas unrelated to AMC. Now he's doing it. Let's see how the market reacts. Right now, it's pretty freaking positive. 5.5% in the pre-market. Look at the major holders. Mudrick of HYMC. Interesting. Not to be a downer, but that 28 million could have done a 50-cent dividend. Nope. Nope. Can't. Debt covenants. Nope. Can't do it. Shave legs on stream at AMC 16. No, dude. I'm not shaving my legs. Can't do dividends right now. Give it like 8 months, maybe the earliest, maybe less. Let's see. The positive thing is he is a slick man of his word. Yes. Yes. All right, folks. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a good day today, everybody. I'm having some fun today. All right, people. Let's see. HYMC options chain I play. What are you, Yoda now, Tim? Why the mining industry? I don't know. He must see something there. Maybe the buy button getting pounded on HYMC will squeeze it so fast AMC can pay off their debt. Fingers crossed, dude. That would be imagine. What's the high on HYMC? What's the high on this thing? I mean, how many years ago is this? 2020. It was at 16. If that happens, which I don't think it will, but it could. No debt. Mudrick owns 40% of HYMC. That's weird. Fudrick. Let's see. Daruma, thank you so much for the super, buddy. You reckon HYMC would be a good quick in and out? It could be. It's just I think I would be careful with it. I'm treating this the same way that I treat a lot of these other stocks that are like kind of low priced. Even though it's got some good news with AMC coming behind it, I'd still be a little careful with it because it can still shark fin on you. Just be careful. I wouldn't YOLO completely crazy amount of money, but if you want to get a little bit of action on it, I think it's fair to put a little bit of money in there if you want to. I wouldn't swing for the fences on it, but I mean, I like that's me personally, but I don't think it's the worst idea in the world. Silver squeeze. All right, man. I wouldn't buy it now. Like I wouldn't do it now, but pre-market volume 52 million in HYMC. No. This is it is. So this is 18 million on Webull. That's pretty interesting. AMC's volume right now, 380,000 on Webull. We got 2 minutes until 33 minutes until the market open, people. Woo! Isn't it a prime short squeeze candidate? It is. Citadel owns Mudrick? I don't think so. No. That wouldn't be surprising, but I don't think so. How much debt does AMC have? I think it's around 5 billion right now. I think it's around 5 billion. I think that's about the number. I think it's 5 billion. I know they've got like 1.8 billion in cash. Less now. Well, after they've done this, but more assets. Is today March 3rd? Tara bought 20,000 shares of HYMC. Good for her. Good morning. The IV on HYMC is going to be crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if we get shorted just because now it's 22%. It might. We'll see what happens. So Amy's up 4.5% in the pre-market here at 14.17. We got 32 minutes to go, people. You guys can tell I'm very excited today. I'm in a very interesting mood. Caesar, you got to repeat the question, buddy. You got to repeat it. Oh, here it is. If 4 million apes bought one call contract in the money at the $10 strike expiration this Friday and it stays in the money, what would that do to AMC? Caesar, we would squeeze. Just that's how it would work. Because you're basically saying, let's see. If it was, okay, so for example, I'll do the math really quickly for you. So the $10 strike costs $350. Okay, so you're spending $350 to force the market maker to buy $1,000 worth of stock. So you're 3xing about the buying pressure that apes would use to buy the stock. So 4 million, if you got 4 million open interest on that thing, that's, what is that? 400 million shares that they have to buy? No, 40 million? 400 million. Yeah, 400 million shares that they would have to buy. Squeeze instantly. That's what would happen. And they wouldn't be able to do it. The amount of FTDs and short exempts that would happen would be insane and we would explode. So that's why when people say options are bad, I say no. And they have to buy those shares in the lit exchange. That would make AMC rocket. Yes, it would. Would there be just a big number of FTDs? There would, but they'd have to close some of them out. It would cause AMC to rocket. Just just letting you know right now. If there was a massive influx of in the money call buying, it would go stupid. Like stupid. You guys would have to exercise them though. You know they aren't hedging. When you get that many calls on there, they have to do something because it would mess with Max Payne so much. Let's go. Here we go, people. So we are going to be getting Adam Aaron live. So I'll throw that in the title over here. Let's see. Any idea which EV battery stocks does Pelosi own? I don't know. I haven't looked. So AMC 1419 over here. HYMC's up freaking 98%. SPY's looking all right here. Where's Para? Because I do have that Para freebie. Para. Let's go, pal. All right, let's see. What do you think about Micron calls today? I don't know. It depends. Where is it right now? Ooh. I don't know. With that, all there is to do is buy in the money and force the fuckers to cover. Yep. I mean, that's kind of what we were talking about in January. Nobody does it though. This is the thing. We say things, we tell it to our audience. Nobody ends up doing things though. That's when I say, Caesar, I can't really tell you what to do with options, but I want you to think about the effect of your options purchase on the stock and market maker hedging. That's exactly what I'm talking about. It's like, think about it logically. What does your purchase actually do? Thanks, Caesar. Now my question is, who wants to lend me money for call contracts? Yeah, like literally all you would need is just like some big, you would need like 2 or 3 giant whales to just hammer the in the money strikes and you would rip. But that's kind of manipulative. I don't know. Can't really do that. All right. Amy, a little shark fin here, but it does this. Rip down, rip down, rip. I think Neoputs are going to print today. Dude, I was so shocked when I was seeing the new. Damn, man. All right. Squirrel, I think you might be right on that 950 gap. I understand now. Don't have the same day of changing the clots. Oh, yeah. Is it possible that AMC insiders set up those share offerings because they knew the price might run rather than the share offerings causing the run? Yeah, anything is possible, but I would say that it's more likely that the share offerings cause the run. I think that's the more likely outcome. Let's see here. Guys, also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps get this out to some more people here. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's been really, really, really cool. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is just crazy. We are going to go wild today. Neoput's been printing the past week. They just don't stop dropping. Yeah, maybe. We'll see it. Maybe I'll get 1 or 2 on a swing. Can you check the BABA chart for me? But it's going to look the same as Neo. It's coming down. The contracts are just expensive on it. Watching Highcroft shoot up on the news just proves how much power is behind the AMC movement. Do you agree? Yes. I think this was a genius move by AA. Charles Gasparino said this is funny. Charles Bet Gasparino, when he speaks, I typically try to not see any pointy objects like the corners of my desk because they look really tasty to just, but you know, it hurts my brain so much. Rather than waiting for whales to come in, let's get a massive King Kong to buy in the money contracts. All right. I just can't wait to hear how many more shares of Baba Charlie Munger has bought. I disagree with Charlie Munger on his Baba purchase wholeheartedly. He's looking at the company in terms of their like accounting, and it could be wrong. That's the thing. I don't understand why he's doing that. I in general, unless it's Neo, am typically against China stocks. Well, I love you, STV. You know what, man? Kendall, I love you too. Good morning, STV. What's up, Big Stow? How you doing? Gasparino is like Kramer without any talent. Yeah. Kramer has talent, bro. Kramer has a talent for telling you which stock. Oh, spy pop. Telling you which stocks are gonna go down, bro. Highcroft mining tweet. Oh. Hold on. Here we go, people. Highcroft mining. Hey, what's their Twitter account? What's their Twitter account? Oh, I think I spelled it wrong. Where's their? I don't think they have a. Oh, here it is. They retweeted Adam. Highcroft welcomes 2 new key investors in Eric Sprott and AMC Entertainment with their combined investment of $56 million. Woo! Ho ho! Tabasco Dave, thank you so much for being a member, my man. I appreciate it. Shout out to all the members. LFG today, Rockets. Woo! I mean, we might. I don't know. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. Let's see. It's all about the 1348. Yeah, man. Let's do it today. Let's do it. In the money, in the money, in the money. Yep. AMD news. What's the AMD news? AMD. It's up a little bit in the pre-market news. Semiconductor market seen as a den of bears due to recession. Oh, God. That's not good. Alrighty, people. AAL when I have a chance. Is it coming up? I had those AAL calls yesterday that I sold for 13%. I was like, oh, it's fine. I'm fine. You can't even spell the gold mine unit. I don't. Well, technically, yes, I own AMC. Indirectly own HYMC. I haven't bought direct shares of HYMC yet. But I spelled it wrong. I spelled it HIGH. That's a simple mistake there, man. That's not like crazy. Amy Little Red Candle. Let's see. New processor. Gotcha. Neo to 7. All right, Squirrel. I think that gap fill thing you're looking at is it's possible. It's possible. Oh, what are the uraniums doing? Quad U? Boom! Let's go. Print that strangle. Amy's just bouncing off that 13 EMA on the 5-minute. It's been doing this for a little while. So let's see what happens. It like comes up, tests this 13, and then comes back up again. So that's what we've seen the trend be in the pre-market over here. Let's see what's gonna happen when it opens up. This quad U strangle could be nasty. So let's see what happens with this. Your HYMC calls are gonna be nice today. Yeah, bro. You're gonna be doing phenomenally. New processor on AMC. Gotcha. Quad U earnings today. God, mother. No. Is it really? It better be after hours or else I'm clapped. I didn't know that. Oh, shoot. Let's see. When are their earnings? 321 to 325. I don't think it's today. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to probably ditch the put side of that at some point. But we'll see. Nickel puts, any thoughts? I'd be careful. They're going to be very liquid on the chains that you're going to be playing. AMC is personal for Kramer and Gasparino. Apes have gotten under their skin. Good. Fuck them. They don't want to be on our train. Fuck them. What a ticker symbol. You. Yeah, no, we call it quad U because it's just so annoying to say all the time. All right. Ooh, spy pop. Here we go. All right. Let's see. That was that spy strangle. I mean, I think it could be decent. I've got like the 428s and the 404s. It's deep out of the money strangle on the SPY. I just see it having a lot of volatility, and let's see what happens with it. So we are coming into Fed tomorrow with Powell. I think here's the thing, though. I think the IV on these options are going to up. I think they're going to go up just because of Powell tomorrow. So I could just see the random premium inflation on the chain on these options and make weird money on it. Mudrick screwed over Apes last time. Did they though? They sold it, what, 30? And then what did we do? 72. Sorry. Sorry. Got excited. All right. So you don't really have to know how to spell when you own a gold mine. Facts, bro. You know what we are now? You know what we all are now? What's a name for like You know how we're oil barons? What would it be if we're gold? Like, what would it be if we like owned a bunch of gold? Midas? No. What would we call ourselves? Did I miss some news on AMC or something? Yes, you did. So they're buying HYMC. Well, not the whole company, but they're buying a pretty significant stake in the company. Um, about 22% of the company, I think was the number. Gold Baron? We can't be gold barons. Tycoons? Ooh, I like tycoons. Prospectors? I like tycoons. The gold rushers. Ooh. But like silver too. Silverbacks. See, I like silverbacks. We call you precious. All right, people. Guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Spy's doing good over here. Amy's up about 3.6%. HYMC's up 99%. GME's up 5.11%. We got Powell tomorrow. We got a lot of interesting things going on here. Watch out for the 1348 on market open. We're going to be making money again today. It's going to be a fun day. No matter what happens, we're going to get Adam Aaron on the live. Woo! Not on my live, but like, we are the edgies now. Yeah, exactly. At least we know which gold ticker is going to be shorted down to oblivion now. Well, they might try. They've been trying it, and it hasn't really worked out for them. So let's see what happens. Pirates. Oh, shoot. I had a theory. I had a theory about Ryan Cohen's emojis, and I lost it. It had pirate flag. No, I forget which one it was. All right, I had a theory. Let me see if it comes back into my mind. I didn't write it down. Usually when I have those theories, I write it down if I think they're important, so it probably wasn't that important. Spy's coming up to a new pre-market high over here. 420.08, not bad. Not too bad. Just seen the Ryan Cohen tweet from yesterday. That guy is a legend. Dude, yeah, he's just like, oh, the shorts are stupid. And you're like, all right, well, your brain must hurt. It does most of the time. I'm Batman. Here we go, people. Let's have some fun. All right, everybody. All right, people. What are we going to get here? We got about 15 minutes until market open. Spy's making new pre-market highs over here. I mean, I'm going to be watching Micron today. I have that freebie on Para, so let's see what happens. Oh, Micron's actually looking all right over here. Para, let's see what this is going to do. Para likes to inverse the market sometimes, so if the market's going to rip, I don't know what Para's going to do. It was up 10% yesterday, but it has another good day today. I'll probably ditch that freebie. What up with the plays today? Check out Ung. No Trey's mustache. I don't want to. Oh, Ung down 4%. The commodity trade is getting sparked. That's why I have strangles. So when you guys were listening to me, I think it was last week at that quad U strangle, this is literally what I was thinking. I was like, I think it's going to move big. 18 minutes. Loving the stream. You always make me happy. I try, pal. I try. At least you're happy, bro. That's what we like, you know? What's the short interest on HYMC? It's like 22.18. It's on the threshold list too. So wait, if they're on the threshold list with a bunch of FTDs and AMC and these other people just bought 22% of the company, isn't that a disclosure of ownership catalyst for just like continuous, just giant boom boom candles? Like, that's pretty wild. You know what pirates typically go after? Gold. Yeah, see, I don't know. Actually, they go after booty, but that's different. Let's see. If you shave your legs on stream, you would make us happier. You know what, SCP Squirrel? No. Sorry. Can you do option orders in the pre-market? You can put your orders out there, but you're going to get filled when the market opens, maybe, and you could get just a god-awful fill. So I wouldn't do that. X, go and give it to you. Yeah. And weren't all stormtroopers dumb? I think they were supposed to be, right? Who else eating breakfast? Not me. I don't eat breakfast. You're listening to someone who's hungry. Adam Aaron tweet. Is there a new one? Is there a new one? Is there a new one? Like a new tweet or like the no, he's just tweeting about Highcroft. This is crazy. This is great. Coffee is breakfast. It's energy drink is breakfast. Let's see here. Spy's trying to make a move here. WIOG Ape, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Show some love with the like button. Let's make some money. Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind hopping in here, hitting that like button on the way in, that's all I ask for. Today's going to be a crazy day. Let's get some more apes in here. Watch these stocks go crazy. See what's going to happen with HYMC and 1348. Get some more people hearing about this pretty interesting strategy. Let's do this thing, people. Let's freaking do this thing. Is AA talking about the HYMC news today? Or is there something else? No, it's the HYMC stuff. Chucky just tweeted about AMC. Yeah, I saw that, but he's kind of um I have a term for people like him. I just don't want to say it because like uh gold held a drop after bond yields climb. Perfect time for AMC Gold Invest. He's so stupid. All right, so this is another one. So, ready? Here's what we do with Gasparino now. We have to read it in the shill voice. The AMC Apes looking for a Citadel Securities gold connection with their next conspiracy theory came up with something big. This is the most expensive home sale ever. Gasparino, shove it, bro. Shove it. Nobody cares. You are irrelevant to the entire, you are laughed at by the entire news media. Sometimes they laugh at us, but you're not supposed to be laughed at. Douche. Yeah, exactly. WTI crude's at 96. Oh, geez. Where's Oxy right now? Oh, down 6%. If only I had my Oxy Strangle for this week and not last week, I would have made so much money. But, you know, you can't win them all. Oh, this Quad U Strangle, it's not big, like, in terms of the money I put into it, but it's looking spicy. AMC owns 22% of HYMC. Yep. Jim, stop. Okay, whatever. I can't help everybody. 60 million in pre-market for HYMC. Yeah, I bet it is. Spy coming up. All right, people, we got 13 minutes left to go. If AMC rockets, I'll run down the street naked. Dude, you're gonna get put on a list, and then you're not gonna be able to go anywhere fun after your attendees. So please don't do that. Just got up to listen to Vix at the beach. Dude, I wish I was at the beach. Just kidding. I mean, I'd like being here with you guys. It's fun. I have a good time. This is a distraction. Just kidding. It's fine. Hair on point today, bro. Oh god, I need a haircut so bad, dude. I slept in a little bit today. I was up late last night. I just couldn't fall asleep. So I might hit a wall today at some point, unless we start to see boom boom candles fire off, and then we're good to go. Quad U coming down. So if you guys got any of that strangle, I mean, you're printing. So streaking after AMC Moon sounds good. No, it doesn't. You're gonna end up in jail. Please don't do that. Call contracts in the money. Caesar, tell him, bro. Tell him. Micron trying to run up in the pre-market. Watch the 200 EMA break. Yeah, I do like Micron today. Depending on what the SPY does. Like if the SPY goes on a little bit of a run, one, my strangle will print. Two, we can get some Micron and have some fun with that. Oh, hold on. My brother just texted me the news on AMC buying Highcroft. Let's see. Good morning. What's up, JT? How you doing, my man? There we go. You going streaking through the quad? No, stop. VXX pumping? Stop. Don't. So VXX is pumping because there's no supply on it anymore. They've cut the supply. So that is no longer an indication of, oh, we got 1348 concurrent viewers. 1348, baby. All right. It's no longer really a good indication of volatility anymore because the index, the ETN is gonna it's moving differently. He just goes, why is he doing that? I don't know, but it looks interesting. What does it mean? No one knows what it means, but it's provocative. It gets the people going. Here we go, everybody. All right. All right, folks. Micron looking all right. Amy up 4% over here. SPY flickering around. Random, but new to commodities. Can what Powell says tomorrow move them one way or another? Yeah, if he hikes rates and takes inflation back a little bit, oil's probably going to come down things probably will move down a little bit. JJN, the chain is really illiquid. That's the problem. Like JJN for nickel, like it's up 6% right here. But look, no volume on the option chain for this week, and it's a monthly and no open interest. It's wildly illiquid. So I would not touch this. You buy something, you're buying it directly from the market maker. You might have to sell it right back to them, and there's not going to be a lot of people taking the other side of that trade. And why is your bro not watching the stream? He's got to work, dude. He's got to do work. He's a busy guy. I don't eat. I survive off the energy stored in my fat. Well, that you can do that, but is long the fix, my brother? No. Long oil, I guess, would be what his name would be. Let's see. Keep it on PayPal. Notice a couple of recent Senate buys currently in a downtrend. Yeah, PayPal could be good. I feel like because inflation should come down when Powell speaks tomorrow, it's a sell the new situation. Oil will go up. Yeah, but oil's already so hot. I mean, it's oil's just so volatile right now. It's just bipolar almost. You just don't know what it's going to do. Let's see. The real oil baron. Yeah, he is the real oil baron. Let's see. Do I have a position in HYMC? I do not know. Neo going up? That wouldn't make a whole lot of sense. I mean, yesterday I thought Neo was just going to tank, but Neo's trying to come back to life a little bit here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we get today. I mean, I'm hunting for Micron. Honestly, DraftKings. We didn't play any DraftKings. DraftKings up a little bit. DraftKings can be fun to play. The premium is going to be a little bit wonky though at these levels. Uber, I do like Uber. Uber could be fun today with some of these crosses firing across the board. Again, guys, once we're going to get into market open, make sure you guys are calling out the crosses. We're going to be watching AMC, see what happens with this. They're probably going to try to flicker it around and do something stupid to it, but we are getting Adam Aaron on in about 15 minutes. So if you guys do have CNBC on, which I believe is where he's going, let me know when he's on and I'll just queue up the audio for it. So let's see here. 8 minutes till market open. Here we go, people. Make sure you guys engage with the stream. Hit that like button. That's all I ask for. It helps out a whole lot, helping out with the YouTube algorithm, especially the way it's been recently. It's just YouTube's been hiding the stream for some people. It's been harder to find the stream. So if you guys don't mind helping out, hitting that like button, cost you nothing to do it, but it helps me out a whole lot. Let's see here. BBBY, can I look at it? Yeah. Bed Bath and Beyond. Oh, it's up 2.5% over here. Ryan Cohen buys Bed Bath and Beyond. Adam Aaron buys HYMC. Can I put up HYMC for open? Yes. Hold on. I'm going to send my brother a message. Be like, all right, let's see. Gamma. Yeah, we would need a real big, like up ramp. Here we go. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Anytime, man. So we got 7 minutes until open over here. Let's have some fun. Bing, bong. The price is wrong. All right, let's see what we got over here. All right, let's see what we got. Lou candles today. I'd love to see it, man. At the money calls there, dude. Caesar, if you want to call that out all the time, I mean, I'm down for it, buddy. I'm down to spread that info, pal. Did you ever figure out who Bruno is and why we don't talk about him? Is this the Sacha Baron Cohen stuff? Lockheed crossing up? Ooh. I mean, I do have those Lockheed calls that are probably going to die, but let's see. Joe Bolton, dude, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Good morning, SCV. It's going to be a great day, everyone. I always hit the like on the way in. I appreciate that, Joe. Let's see. 1405 on Amy over here. SPY's coming down to that 13 EMA. We got HYMC over here up 91% in Kanto. Oh, No, see, you guys told me that, but I don't watch Disney movie. It's not like I just sit down at night after like streaming and being tired, and I'm like, I'm gonna watch a Disney movie today. No, that's just not how it works. Charge point. What do we got? It's down 9% yesterday. That sucks. All right, people. Last 5-minute candle of the pre-market over here. 5 minutes until market open. Let's get excited. Let's see if the buyers are going to step up on Amy and HYMC over here. It's going to get interesting up in here. Let's see here, folks. You deserve more subs. Burning the candle at both ends. YouTube and university. I do the same with work and uni. Well played. Thanks, buddy. Kyle, I don't really go to class. At this point, especially right now with recent events, I give 0 fucks about school. 0. I have one goal, and it's not school. What is HYMC? It's gold and silver. It's a mining company. What's it like to commentate on a market crash? I'm sure you get a lot of negative Nancy's in here. You always seem to stay positive. It's fun because we just buy puts. And then the people come in here and like say wild things, and you're just like, all right, bro. Like I yell at the shills a lot. I should probably not do that. Because if I ever want to go on like a news thing and they just look at my stream and I just like lash out at people, they're gonna be like, this kid? No. Let's see. Spy has earnings today? No. My attendance is 36%. Mine's lower than that, bro. Much lower. I literally told my dad, I was like, if I end up making it, I'm going to take my diploma, make a paper airplane of it, throw it, and light it on fire. Let's see. HYAMC. Okay, that's funny. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's up 90% of the pre-market over here. Amy's up 3.5. Question. There you go. You live on campus? Sort of. Not really. I don't do anything ever. I just think going out at school is stupid. I think it's just a waste of time. So I do more productive things. And if I want to go have fun, I go do other things. Can you do that on live stream? Do what on live stream? You had 6% attendance and still going for a first class degree. Google is a great thing. Yeah, dude, I just don't. Don't be so drastic with the poor diploma. No, I just don't care. I just don't. 1348 paid for that paper airplane. Yeah. Paper airplane burn. Yeah. I wouldn't like do it outside like near a forest, and it's a joke, but I don't know. Still trading less than CNK? Yeah, what's the market cap though, huh? What's the market cap though, huh? What's the market cap? Market cap. Network is what college is great for. Yeah, or talking to thousands of people on the internet all the time is pretty good for a network. Whatever floats your boat there. 2 minutes until market open, people. Here we go. Amy, this is just a crime candle over here. Up 2.5% still. GME. What do we got? This is just hard to look at on HYMC. Like I'm trying to zoom in on it, but you just don't even see the move. Like HYMC 95% over here. Amy coming down a little bit. Spy flicker in here. Where's Para really quickly before market open? Paramount. That kind of sucks. All right, let's see here. Diploma on a live stream? I feel like they would get pissed at me for that. Let's see. Did I see the AMC Highcroft news? Yes. We've been talking about that a lot. So we got about 15 minutes until AA should be coming on CNBC. Let me know, though, once they're starting to talk about him, because I'll throw the audio on. Point made. Yeah. My school gave me 40 hours of community service for having a few people in my room during the pandemic. Oh, dude, I had a case like that one time, and I just beat it. So this is another funny story before we're not going to be able to do it. Okay, story time for later. If things start to lull in the market, remind me of the time that I had to like get out of like an alcohol violation at school. 1 minute here, folks. Here we go. Spy's coming up here. Amy working its way back up here. HYMC, 94%. 95%. Here we go. If I said yesterday that AMC should invest in a mining company, you would say I was crazy. Yes, I should. Well, almost a ding ding. Walmart. All right, so watch Walmart, watch Micron. Ben, I might have to hop in with you on those Walmarts, man, because it's the 145. It's just yeah. Walmart looks freaking good, dude. So 1348 cross. Hey, hey, hey. All right, ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Spy's coming up here. AMC. Let's see what's going to happen here. It's going to flicker around at open. Let's see if it's going to get a little bit of action here, though. HYMC is up 93% right now. AMC is flickering around. Spy is coming up. GME, Crime Candle coming back up, though. Let's see here. AAL Moonin. Yeah, man, that was a good one. All right, so Spy's flickering up. HYMC is not really doing a whole lot. Let's check Para really quickly. How's Para doing? Oh, Para's shooting up here. Boom. There we go, people. Where is Micron? Micron coming down. Spy trying to do its thing over here. Amy flickering. Walmart is one that I do like. Walmart flickering. GME, more crime candles over here. Amy trying to fight over here. Still up about 2%. We got Spy trying to make a move to the upside here. It's above 420. Let's see, 420.69, and then we can get going here. So Amy just below 14. Spy's trying to make a move up here. Apple. Whoa, what do we got here crossing? Here we go. Neo. What's up with Neo? Neo. Woo, boom booms on Neo there. That's interesting. Spy flickering around. GME crime candles. Let's see. Parachute. No. Stop it. Bad. Bad. No. Stop. Where's Quad U? Quad U, you big poopy head. Ooh, the Spy Strangle's looking all right over here. So let's see what Spy wants to do today to help out with my Strangle. Amy trying to come up here. STV's hairline. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. AA was telling the truth when he talked about Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Also, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. I think GME is about GME beating earnings, just a theory. Ooh, that could be really interesting. STV's hairline. Thank you so much for that super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Let's see here. Pair is looking good. HYMC. Coming down a little bit. I mean, that makes sense after it's up 100% on the day or in the pre-market. Micron. Oh my God, Micron's coming down again. Let's see. Another big red day incoming. I don't know. Big doom on Micron. Yeah, if this gets across down here, I mean, I'll take it. Spy just looks all right here, though. Spy is looking all right. Amy. Ooh, 14. Oh, here she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woohoo! All right. Let's see. Short oil since yesterday, making money on the. Yeah, there you go. Up 105% on the pairs, 50% on the call side of the Spy, which is good. Except the put side was more expensive, so that sucks. What do we got here? The Quad U Strangle's doing all right. VXX looks sweaty. Don't look at VXX today in order to determine volatility because it's not going to. It's just not going to be what you need to look for because there's no supply on that ETN anymore. Walmart. Walmart breakout. Here we go. I mean, I have to do it. I'm going to go really, really tiny on this one. If it's shark fins, fine. Because it can shark fin. That's the thing. And then start to make a move back up. So I'm going to get a little tiny Walmart play here. Depending on what happens today, I might get more. I might just leave it here. This is not a 1348. This is just momentum with Walmart. I mean, I could look at it on like the 30-minute chart or like the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour and probably make it work somewhere. But I do like Walmart over here. Micron coming back. Okay, interesting. Amy's coming up here. 1426, looking solid. Spy's looking good over here. How's the Spy Strangle doing? Spy Strangle is a little bit red. My pairs are up 106%. That's sexy over there. My quad U's are looking all right. Here comes Wally World. Amy with some candles. All right, let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on your way in helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. I do have to run to the bathroom really, really, really quickly. I want to be able to make sure I can get to the bathroom before Adam Aaron comes on. So make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I'll be back really, really quick. Nobody go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Oh, SPY. There we go. Amy popping. Here we go. Wally World over here. Where's HYMC? Come on. It's coming down a little bit here. SPY's looking all right. Oh, here comes Amy 1450. Let's see if we're going to get that breakout at this level over here. It looks all right. Come on. Let's see here. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in too. This is going to be a fun day. Amy's having a solid time over here looking decent. Did I wash my hands? I always wash my hands. Tim, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. VXX calls up 100% already. Banking. Atta boy. Atta boy. All right. What were we looking at here? Micron. Neo was another one. Yeah, Micron coming down. Neo actually looks good right now. So, I don't know. Maybe a little baby trade on Neo. Little baby. We'll give it a minute. We'll give it a little bit over here. Keep an eye out for Adam Aaron on CNBC. Actually, I do like Neo right here. Let's see what happens with it. A little quick flippy flip on the Neo. Oh, the premium is stupid. The premium is stupid. Big stupid head on the premium over here. Interesting. What do I want here? What do I want? That's really what it is. What do I want? That's really what I'm thinking about here. What do I want on this? Maybe not. AAL. Yeah, AAL would have been a good one if you held it from the call out that I had yesterday. I mean, I was up 15% on them, or 13% I took it at. AMC right now, 1441. SPY's moving back down a little bit here. Yeah. Bank of America crossed. Interesting. Bach. Didn't cross. It crossed way in the pre-market over here. How's my favorite stock? It's doing good, man. Oh, GME coming back up here. All right, Bank of America actually coming up nicely. No cross, though. Mullen pumping. There we go. What are your needs? I got a lot of needs. Caesar, thanks for the super buddy. King Kong in the money gamma. Woo! There we go. SPY moving back up here a little bit. Where's Neo? Yeah, no, I'm honestly not the biggest fan of Neo here. I honestly think Micron to the downside is an interesting trade, especially with SPY doing what it's doing over here. AMC up 7%. That's good, right? Yes, that's good. Let's see. You want some brisket? I would want some brisket too, man. I don't know. I mean, I do like brisket. All right. So Micron looks like it's about to cross down over here. Let's see. Where's that Walmart trade? That's not really what we want here. 92% on the para. Oh, shoot. My little Amy YOLO's doing good over here. Micron just looks like it wants to sell. So how many contracts can I get on this? Can I get some cheapies? Oh, shit, no. No, they're not cheap. All right, we'll see. You're in Micron puts? Yeah, I think so. I'll hop in there with you on that one a little bit. Where's Walmart? I went small on the Walmart, so we'll see what happens with it. Yeah, Walmart looks spicy, dude. Amy coming back down. GME jumping. Yeah, GME's trying to come up here a little bit. Walmart just looks strong. Yeah, Walmart looking good here. Let's see what happens, Ben. I mean, it's above 145. Oh, my premium's not moving on this. 92% on the para. My Amy calls are doing good. Let's see if Amy's going to get a little jumpy over here. Where's Micron? Micron. Oh, there it goes. SoFi shark fin. Yeah, careful with the shark fins, people. So Micron is down. Wow, that's selling hard, man. Let's see. SPY back down a little bit here. I mean, I'll probably be quick with these Microns. Just Amy coming back down to that 13 EMA. Let's see. Kramer talking AMC. Oh, God. Get him off the screen. Get him off the air. All right. My Walmarts are back up. The Microns are doing good. Turn on CNBC. All right. I got you.
And he is kind of down to the last $8 million at Highcroft and might actually face a significant cash crunch. And says, I'd love my CEO to sort of understand an at-the-market offering because now our stock has moved up because of the recent interest in precious metals, and it might be an opportunity. And Adam Aaron says, well, you know what? I'd actually just like to put some money in myself. And that's how you get to a deal. Apparently, Mr. Aaron toured the mine yesterday. You're kind of interesting, Jim.
I noticed that you're being not at all tongue-in-cheek.
No, I'm just telling you exactly what's happened. Hycroft's been around for quite some time, by the way. It does have a lot of potential ounces of gold and silver, but they need a new mill. That mill could cost as much as $1 billion. They're no longer processing nearly as much of what had been oxide ore. They've now got a lot more sulfide ore, which requires essentially a different process. And so they have found themselves in a position where they need to do that. Now they can sell a lot of stock at the market, as AMC did so effectively to raise that 1.8 billion, a small portion of which they're now investing in a gold mine.
Right. Well, someone asked me today, will the apes like this? Meaning that people, the residuals, the people are still in AMC. Oddly, I think they will. I think we're more in it initially for Batman, right, friends? But Sprott is an owner. Sprott's run a gold fund. And I have to tell you, when I map out where their gold mine is, it's not that far from the very successful Barrick mines that Mark Bristow's done a good job with.
Now these guys are out of danger. We're going to talk to Adam Aaron about that. So we'll get a lot more on that. By the way,
I'm very curious. Gold mine, curious.
It's weird. But remember, they also are in retail popcorn. Don't forget that.
I forgot. Never mind. That explains it.
What?
I said that explains it.
It does. Yeah, it does. All right, what else this morning has your attention? I haven't even asked you what the key to this market is. I see the banks are up.
All right, I'm going to give you the key to this market.
Exxon and Chevron down again.
Oh yeah, guys, didn't you know we're in it for Batman, right? We're in it for Batman. That's what we know, that, right? Oh, he is so brain dead. All right, Micron coming down. Let's check Walmart over here. I mean, Walmart holding decently over here. We could get a little shark fin on it before it wants to go up. But Walmart was moving relevant of what the market was doing yesterday. So we'll see what happens with this. This is an interesting day here. So let's see. The Micron puts are doing good. The Walmarts are slightly down, but we'll see what happens here. Where's AA? He'll be on in like 3 minutes, I believe. Let me see. No, they're talking about they're just talking about like normal market stuff right now. SPY's coming down here. Let's see. Their reporting is garbage. Dude, they suck at it. They are so bad at it. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. Let's see what we get over here. Yeah, Micron puts are doing good. Got that 1348 cross right here. I don't know. Maybe I'll add one at a little bit of a deeper strike. I don't know. We'll see. Look at Neo now. Pump and dump. Yeah, I never got Neo. I was like, it doesn't really look that good just because, Neo. Whoa, look at that shark fin on Neo. All right, so Amy's still up about 2.5% over here. It's flickering around pretty hard, though. Let's see.
All three.
All right, at 9:45, we'll keep looking. Let me know when Adam Aaron comes on. Let's see, and we'll put it on. Netflix wants to cross down. Netflix is weird. Netflix is a weird one. So Neo coming back down. Micron, it's selling, but not as hard as I would like. Walmart, it's still fine. Neo puts printing. There you go. It's amazing who they let on TV. That's facts, dude. That is facts. It is amazing who they let on TV. Let's see here. Do you pay for CNBC live access? No, I literally just go on the audio thing that's for free online. Para selling. All right, I'll probably ditch that freebie. Yeah, I'll ditch the freebie. Yeah, I sold the para. Solid trade over there on the para. Let's see. Ooh, Walmart's are a little red. Micron puts are good. Let's see. Lucid selling. Yeah, Walmart coming down. SPY's coming down. All right. If Walmart comes down anymore, I mean, this is kind of why I was Lucid cross just now. So do you want to get some Lucy puts? Do we want to get some Lucy puts? Let's see. Got a couple. See what happens with Lucid over here. How the hell did Micron bounce? Micron. What the shit? Let's see.
He, given the volatility in Hycroft stock, that he doesn't feel comfortable making public comments right now. The legal team as well, perhaps also at Hycroft advising that. So he's no longer going to join us as we watch the shares move higher. Again, as I reported earlier, a lot of this owes to Mudrick Capital and Jason Mudrick, who kind of introduced Adam Aaron to this potential opportunity, one that he never expected him to actually invest in, perhaps initially.
I'm not done with this.
But they do know how to sort of
I'm not done with
navigate at the market, and now they own 22%. The other big investor there is Sprott, who is a well-known investor in gold, silver, and gold.
This is highly embarrassing.
Coming in. And so they do provide necessary liquidity to Hycroft, which now be able to also fund itself. And again, as you said, this mine is a well-known mine that has produced
I don't say
enormous quantities.
Yeah, but they need a lot of money, and we needed to know whether they're going to Apes are going to finance without some sort of continual offering. Yeah. We needed to know whether why didn't he go into transportation, travel leisure? Remember, he ran. Adam Aaron ran Vail.
He did.
He ran. He ran
$1.8 billion. He's got a lot more money to diversify.
Yeah, but why doesn't he get into something he knows?
I don't know, but he does know that his valuation is not supported by the fundamentals of his business.
Remember when we had the empty chair in the presidential debate?
That was
so. Adam, tell me, why do you prefer gold over Batman?
Wasn't that Clint Eastwood during the Republican National Convention?
Adam, when I got you, I know that silver is very big here, but have you talked to Dr. Mark Bristow, who knows that area very well?
Who's going to continue that conversation?
Adam, it's just the beginning of diversification that will eventually go into child's toys.
I'm going to tell you that you can get in on the investing club, Jim, as well. You can sign up. You can find out more at cnbc.com/join the club. Or just put your phone at the QR code on his head. That'll take you there. Before we head to break, let's give you a quick bond report. No, you can keep talking to Adam.
He's outraged. So lawyers.
We talked about treasuries earlier.
I don't just sit here to take a beating. What am I, like Timex?
And the 2-year is still well above 2% for that key level. First day of the Fed meeting, so 25 basis points increase coming soon.
I'm getting some response on that.
We're back after this.
Hold on. Eric, yeah, I don't know. Did he cancel? I don't think he did. I thought they were talking about the HYMC CEO. That's what I thought they were just talking about. So I thought they were just talking about the HYMC CEO. So hold on. We'll wait till they come back on off of commercial, and then we'll kind of see what's going to happen from there. It seemed like they were talking about the HYMC CEO because they were saying that the CEO didn't want to, literally the point was like they didn't want to comment because of the volatility of their stock. AMC is not having that crazy volatility. I mean, it is. It's down right now, which is absolutely fucking nonsense. But then HYMC is like up crazy. It's just crazy over here. Like, look at this thing. What is that now? 41%? It's just been selling off. You've got GME crime candles. Like, look at this. This is wild. Spies flickering around and they're just attacking stuff. AA did cancel. He canceled due to volatility concerns. Interesting. Wow. That's interesting. VXX got halted. Yeah, I mean, how much was it up? Yeah, see, this is why, because there's no supply on this thing anymore. So let's check Micron over here. Micron selling off. This is a good trade so far. How's Lucid? I did get a couple Lucid puts. So how's Lucid doing? Yeah, these trades are good right now on 1348. So let's see what happens here. I am up 13% on Micron, 10% on Lucid. Not bad. I didn't sell the Walmarts yet, so I'm holding the Walmarts. I went small on it. We're getting smoked. Yeah, let me know if he comes back on. But that was interesting. Mudrick sold at 60. On HYMC. Idiots. All right, SPY trying to bounce here a little bit. Let's see here. Yeah, Mudrick does own HYMC. That's who told Adam Aaron about it. 88% on NEO. Yeah. VXX halted for volatility. Saw that. SPY coming back up to this 13 EMA over here. Let's see. Amy trying to pull back up. Let's see. He canceled because he knew those were going to attempt to mock AMC. He did the right thing, leaving those two hanging dead airtime. Yeah, that's fair. I mean, fuck them. Like, those guys are acting like complete sorry. All right, GME crime candles. SPY trying to move back up here a little bit. Let's see what happens over here. Let's see. Kramer just tweeted. Okay, let me take a look at. Okay, interesting. So he did cancel. Wow. I mean, it makes sense. Like, it does make sense. The legal team told him not to talk about it. That's fair. I think that's fair. Let's see. So Lucid coming down. Micron, it bounced a little here, but it's still selling. 1348 cross on Micron. Let's see where this takes us for the rest of the day. Volatility index due to volatility. That's irony there. No. So the VXX is not halted due to like normal market mechanics of VXX. It's halted because there's literally no more supply of it. They're not selling any more shares into the market on that thing. So they can't, there's no like, they can't balance out all of the demand. So it's going to rip. We were thinking about that yesterday, getting some calls on it just based on that. And I was like, I don't know, because it moves weird. The options on that thing move really weird. AMC Ortex update, please. Yeah, we can do that really quickly over here. So let's see, AMC. Let's see what we got over here on these contracts. All right, let's see. 100% utilization. We've got 1.4% average cost to borrow, 20.79% estimated short interest, and then we've got 107 million shares estimated to be sold short. All right, let's see what happens with SPY. SPY, little pop here. Little pop on the SPY. Ooh, Micron selling, I think. Micron coming down again. No, premium's coming up, though, a little bit. All right, people. Walmart. What's Walmart doing? Walmart selling, broke down through that 13 EMA. I'll probably ditch those. Probably ditch them. All right, SPY's trying here. Let's see. SPY getting a nice bounce. Be careful with Micron. Yeah, that's what I'm doing here. It's trying. It's bouncing off that 200 EMA. Walmart coming down. Let's see. Where's Lucid? And Lucid's trying to bounce a little bit here. Let's see. Micron. It's holding here. Let's see. If you zoom out on Walmart, it looks fine. Yeah, I agree. Holy freaking crime candles. Yeah. Yeah. Popcorn will be backed with actual gold. That would be kind of funny, man. That would be kind of wild if they did that. Lucid. Bouncing here a little bit. Where's on the 1 minute? 1 minute coming up to that 13 EMA. Let's see what happens here. Micron probably doing something similar. Ooh, nope, that's the 5 minute. So I'll probably ditch the Microns a little bit here. I mean, what are these? I'll hold till the stop, but we'll see. Oh, no, they're pretty much flat right now. So we'll see what happens with these Microns in the SPY. Thought on Neo. It's probably coming down. Why no crime candles on Para? I don't know. I mean, I just ditched it. I took my money back on it. So that was the free contract that I was messing around with. So SPY's trying to move here. Micron coming up. Let's see. Will AMC sell popcorn with gold dust? I don't know, but that would be hilarious if they did. Wait, this is the 5 minute on Micron. Where's the 1 minute? 1 minute is blown through the 13 EMA. Let's see here. Can you set up a Discord for 1348 crosses on the daily and longer term hold? We have them. We have them. They're in there. We in there. We have them in there. So let's see here. What do we got? SPY moving back down. Let's see how it's going to happen with the SPY here. It doesn't really like this bounce right now. It's still got this 5 minute MACD cross down. We'll see what happens with this. So let's see. Gold and silver run for cover sign. I don't know about that. Sounds like that mine needs some serious equipment repairs. Maybe. I mean, it depends on who told you that, honestly. Pizza with gold flakes. That'd be pretty funny. All right. SPY back down under that 13 EMA over here. Amy 1345 down about 1%. Just crime candles. Crime candles across the board. Lucid, what's this doing? Micron trying to pop here. It's trying. So we'll see what happens with this. Yeah, Micron's trying hard here. Aaron, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. What if they wasted AA's time on purpose? They didn't waste AA's time. AA like wasted their time. Essentially, is what happened here. AA wasted their time. He was like, "Screw you guys." Walmart, sheesh, down. Yeah, Walmart down. So let's see what happens with this. Took my free AMC contracts at the opening pop, stress free. There you go. Oxy just crossed down. All right, let's see what happens with Micron at this 13 EMA test over here. All right, SPY trying to move up here. Amy coming down, which makes 0 sense today. You're up 250% on VXX. Attaboy. Attaboy. That's what we like to see. All right. Let's see here. SPY's moving around. Micron coming up to test this 13 EMA on the 5-minute. Micron just went green. SPY's coming back up here. Let's see if it gets knocked. Let's see if it gets knocked. Goldschlager. The Goldschlager. All right, let's see. All right, it's almost time to cut these microns. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. Took a small loss on Lucy. She met my stop. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably cut the Lucy really soon. Let's see what happens with Micron, SPY, Lucid, and see what happens with these right here. It could just be a dud day, and you just sit around and mess. Yeah, looks like these microns are going to hit the stop. The Lucids are still fine. If the microns hit the stop, let's see if it gets knocked. It's really close. Yeah, there it is. So give it a, yeah, I'm giving this a second, and then, yeah, getting out of the micron here. So we'll see. We can always get back in if we need to. Still holding that Lucid just to kind of see what happens with it. I mean, it looks a little weak today. So when we come over to Lucid, let's see. You know, Lucid's trying to bounce here, but nothing too crazy. SPY is coming up nicely, though. Lucid's still down. Lucid about to hit it as well. Let's see. Amy trying to get a pop. SPY trying to get a pop here. A little bit of a 5-minute MACD cross maybe as well. Laid back on Twitter said AMC squeezing is coming back down to where it all started. He challenges anyone to prove the shorts didn't cover. How about look at the fucking short interest? How about that? How about do some research? All right, cutting the Lucid too. I think. Hold on. Where is this at? Let's see. I don't know. Let's see here. You could hear the panic in their voices. Yeah, they're idiots, dude. On CNBC, they're complete morons. VXX unhalted again. Is it just ripping right now? Yeah, it's just running, dude. VXX is just running. How is the premium on it just stupid? Is it just stupid? Yeah, the premium on it is drunk. All right, probably gonna cut these Lucids right here too. Yep, bye Lucid. All righty, let's see what we're gonna get for the rest of the day, folks. So SPY is coming back up here nicely. So I mean that strangle that I have is actually looking all right. So let's see what we get with this. Whoa, dude. Quad U strangle printing. I love that, man. The quad U strangle is doing numbers over here. Woo! Here we go. So SPY's coming up. Quad U's coming down. My contracts just went in the money on quad U, and the put side's up 114% now. Woo! There we go. There we go. Send it lower, quad U. My man. Damn. All right. Let's see. Guys, also, if you don't mind, as you're filtering in, hitting that like button on the stream too helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's been really, really, really awesome. Let's see here. We might have 25 short interest on AMC by the end of the week. Yeah, it's possible. It is possible. So, all right, so SPY looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here. Let's see if it can break that high of the open. If it can, that'll get a little spicy. I can feel Mullen is calling up, ready to jump. Yeah, where's Mullen right now? Mulling around. Rolling down about 5%. Oh, it's just barcoding. Like literally just barcoding. Yeah, Quad U selling here. VXX new high. Dude, the premium on it's just stupid. I don't know. Maybe we chase it. Because it's just gonna continue to go with this. I mean, it could just go nutty. Volume on it 11.5 million. Spy trying to come up here. VXX rehalted. Okay, it might have on this move here. See, this is the thing. This is what we were looking out for. So, for those of you guys that were paying attention yesterday, good for you. I didn't get it because I've traded a lot of VXX in the past, and it just does weird stuff. So I just didn't like it, but I don't know. We'll see what happens over here, man. All right, Spy is coming back up here. Print my strangle. Apple moving. Apple looks all right here. Spy, go. Amy, go. My quad U call for Friday was a bust. That's why I strangled it, because I wanted it on both sides. I thought it was either going to rip or just tank. HYMC falling hard now. That's all it's been doing today, falling. All right. Quad U back down. Where did Lucid end up? It's chilling here. It's just chilling. You have VXX, but no idea why it's blowing up. Why is it running? Okay, so they had this announcement yesterday with that ETN that they were no longer going to be selling more shares or increasing the supply in order to balance it out. So it's no longer moving like a volatility index. It's a squeeze play, essentially. Here comes Mullen. Mullen is trying here. Mullen actually looks decent right now. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, Quad U looking good. Spy back down a little bit here. Where's Walmart? Walmart trying to make a move back up. 90% short on VXX. They're shorting the VIX, man. They are shorting the VIX. All right. Wow. Amy's selling off here. That is insane. That is absolute insanity. Let's see. Oh, we got the mask gang coming in here. Let me shoot TMI that link really quickly. So you can get TMI over here for a bit if he wants to pop on. All righty. Mask gang. What's up, people? All right. So Walmart trying to come up here. Spy just kind of flickering around. Where's Quad U? Oh, Quad U, new lows. New lows. Quad U. Hold on. Hold on. I got to text Gabe really quick because he's talking about VXX, and that's just not. Hold on. All right. Quad U coming down. Spy flickering around a little bit here. VXX is volatility. So it's tracking VIX. So it's an ETN, which tracks VIX. But right now it's not at all. If you look at the VIX right now, like, let me just pull this up for you guys. VIX, CBOE market volatility index. It's up a little bit here, but like not anything crazy. Like it's not enough to send VXX to the absolute moon right now. Like VXX, it's suspended and it's up 38%. This is broken. This is not something that you should be looking at right here to track volatility. Like, what's UVXY up? 0.29%. This is broken. It's VXX is broken. Don't touch. I mean, you can touch it, but like it's not an indication of what's going to happen with the market. Micron, what's this doing? Oh, Micron actually coming up nicely here. Here comes Spy. Let's see if the strangle is going to print for us. Walmarts are coming back. Spy strangle looking good. Quad U strangle looking really good. Interesting. Let's see what happens here. VXX auction premiums are whack. Yeah. All right. Spy's looking to make new highs over here. This is good for the calls. Yeah. So VXX is broken. It's no longer what you think it is. It's broken. AMC tracks the SPY when convenient to the manipulators. Got Mullen rockets. Ooh, Mullen. Ooh, Mullen is trying here. SPY's trying as well. This actually looks good. Where's Apple? Apple wasn't getting across, but we'll see. So does VXX send funds anywhere like an ETF? Sort of. So hold on. I thought I had it up. Let me look. VXX. I'll go over it with you guys right now. Business News Wire. Here it is. So, oh shoot. Hold on. This is the actual filing. Okay, that's fine. No further sales or issuances. Effective as of the open of trading on March 14th, we will suspend until further notice any further sales from inventory and any other further issuances of the ETN. As a result of this modification, the pricing supplement is amended to reflect this suspension, meaning that they are not adding any more shares to it to balance off the supply and demand. They basically said, hey, we have this volatility index that is going to track the VIX, but now we aren't doing our job to make sure it tracks it accurately. So it's drunk and it's broken. So VXX should come down hard? No, it should go crazy. It's just the premium's jacked on it, and I want you guys to be careful. I don't want you guys doing anything crazy. Quad U, why you gotta be such a hoe? Boom, Mullen Green. Yeah. Show your screen or it didn't happen. On what, buddy? On what? You're kidding. All right, Mullen doing good. Spy Strangle looking all right. Quad U looking all right. This is decent here, folks. This is decent. 255% on VXX. Made $580. Attaboy, Tim. Attaboy, Mullen's coming up here. Let's see what the SPY wants to do. It just bounced off that 200 EMA and then came right back up. DraftKings, actually, good idea here. The DraftKings wants to cross and come up a little bit here. No, it does. It doesn't fund. It just tracks it. SPY moving back down to that 13 EMA. Let's see what happens here. SPY range bound today with downside bias due to Fed uncertainty. Yeah, it could be very flat today, but you should see premiums start to go up across the board. Amy down about 0.5% over here, which is stupid. Like, honestly, ridiculous. Let's see. UPST reverse shark fin. Did it? Yeah. Little reverse shark fin here on this thing. Where's Walmart? Walmart looking shitty today. But it does this. It does this before it wants to go up. So we'll see what happens with it. How drunk are the shorts today? They're using all their ammo to give us a huge discount before the FOMC meeting tomorrow where we get clarity. Yeah, it's silly. It's very, very weird. I think we're going to pop on Powell, but who knows? Micron. Man, Micron coming back up. That's not bad. Can't buy DraftKings. Clover Health under 3 would be a steal. Why can't you buy DraftKings? Mullen up. Yeah, Mullen just mulling around. Got Mullen looking good over here. Peloton looking froggy. Peloton up 10%. Not bad. All right, let's see what happens with the SPY here. A little bit of a red candle. Uber. Crossing. I call it the crosses when you see them, guys. Not a lot of crosses happening right now. Bank of America, yikes. Did it shark fin? Oh, that's a shark fin and a half right there on Bank of America. Damn. Neo. What happened with Neo? Is it back down? It's trying to come back up here. I wouldn't really touch Neo today, though. Yeah, Amy did cross down. Not that one. SV Synthetic Dog. Better crosses, pal. Better crosses. Let's see. All right. SPY coming back down to this 13 EMA right here. We got Amy doing it at 1348 over here. Forward cross down. Yeah, see, I don't know. Forward. All right. Forward cross down and selling pretty hard here. It didn't cross down yet, but it's close. It's very, very, very close. VXX unhalted. There it goes. There it goes. I honestly, fuck it. Oh my God. This thing is drunk. I can't even find anything good. I literally, there's nothing good on this thing. You'd have to go so far out. 50. All right. I think it's just going to halt again. This is crazy. SPY coming back down to the 13 EMA over here. This thing is just crazy. DraftKings crossed up. Yeah, it's still below that 200 EMA, I believe, though. Still below the 200. Yeah, cross. That's not a great cross, but we'll see. SPY flickering around. UPST ripping. Did it do what it needed to do? It's doing all right. Don't do it, VIX. I'm not going to. It's so expensive. UVXY crossed up. Yeah, SPY moving down here a little bit. It's only 30 minutes into the market open, and Mullen has already traded its float. Jesus. Maybe I short the VIX. I'm just kidding. Amy coming down. SPY moving down to that 25 MA over here. You should tell us some college stories. Oh, I'll tell you about the time that we could do that right now with a little lull in the market where I beat the case on the alcohol violation. We could do that a little bit later. Let's see here. If I need a date, I'm going to Bumble. Good luck, man. So much crime. Yeah, SPY coming down here. Amy coming down. Looks like it wants to make a new low. All right, what are we looking at? Oh, my quad U. Oh, man. Oh, print. Print. Those are up 114%. Bing bong. Let's see. The SPY strangle's a little down. Let's see here. Oxy about to cross down. On 5%. Jesus, that thing is nutty. Ford just crossed down. All right, let's see. Yeah, Ford just did cross down and is selling. The problem is that I'm looking at the SPY here, and it could just come down a little bit, bounce off this 200 again. Let's see. I don't know who Ross Cameron is, but he's one of the best traders in the world. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Let's see. Guys, I'm going to run to the bathroom quickly for like 2 seconds again. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I'm going to be right back. All right, everybody. Hello. How you doing? SPY moving around here. Y'all will lose all your money. King, that's interesting. DraftKings cross up. Yeah, it was, but is it above that 200 EMA yet? Yeah. It's not above the high, though. So watch it at the high of the day over here. That's kind of what I'm looking for on it. Ross is a beast of a day trader. Oh, I know who you guys are talking about. Yeah. I know who you guys are talking about. It's like warrior trading or something. I know who you're talking about now. What's up with the alcohol violation? Oh, we can do that really quickly. So my freshman year, my roommate was like a 21-year-old exchange student from Europe. So there was like a big group of them too. So there were like a bunch of them that just like were hanging around all the time. and we were just getting after it. So one time we just decided to have people in my dorm. It was a triple. I had another roommate too. He wasn't really around all that much though. So we just had a bunch of people around, and then he just started everybody was just hammered, and they were just walking around in the dorm, and they were 21. This is the thing. They were 21 and I just wasn't. So then the RAs come and they see one of the other international kids just walking outside in the hallway with a beer, and he was just like, hi, and they were like, you can't have that, and he's like, I'm 21, and they're like, you still can't have it, and he's like, well, this is stupid. So then I end up going downstairs to my friend's room and then come back up, and then nobody's there, and I'm like, that's kind of weird. So I don't know this at the time that the RAs were there, and then I just see the RA, so I'm being social, and I'm like, I'm gonna talk to these people, and I'm literally talking to this RA about the book he's reading and just being nice. And I'm just hammered out of my mind. And then they end up being like, what's your room number? I'm like, that one. And they're like, okay. Well, then they wrote me down on the report. And then I got a notice from the school that was like, you've been notified that you've been did an alcohol violation. You have to go meet with this person at this date. And I was like, really, bro? Really? So then I go there and they're asking me all these questions. And they're like, do you know the person that was doing this? And I was like, I have no idea who that is. I'm pretty sure, because this is funny. I was like, his name is Guy. And I was like, that's all I know about this person. And they were like, how do you spell that? I was like, I don't know. How do you think you spell Guy? I have no idea how you spell it. DraftKings is coming up here. I actually like this right here. So that they were like, are you sure? And I'm like, yeah, I literally don't know who it is. I literally don't know his last name. His name is Guy. I don't know how to spell it. That's what he's called. And they're like, okay. I'm like, yeah, I don't know. I just came back to my room and my friends were there. My roommate's 21. I think they're all 21. I don't know. And then they're just like, all right, you can go. And I was like, okay, cool. Bye. And then I went and hung out with Guy. Up $130 on DraftKings calls. Yeah, I like this. It's about to break the high. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move here. DraftKings looks a little spicy. Let's see what Spy's going to do here. No, it was actually GUI. I knew exactly how to spell his name. But he was from Spain. So I was like, I don't know. I don't know how to spell this dude's last name. What's his name? I'm like, Guy. Robin Hood. So you snitched? No. They never got him because they were like, I don't know how to spell this dude's name. All right, let's see here, guys. DraftKings flickering around. Hope you can help Gabe with his live streaming. Does he need help? All right, let's see what we're gonna get here. GME moving down a little bit. Let's see. Does DraftKings actually look all right over here? So DraftKings can get a little spicy. Little bit spicy. 114% on the quad U puts. Bing bong. Got paid today and bought 115 more at a cheap price. Ricardo, atta boy, Ricardo. All right, we're back on the DraftKings grind. Let's see. You just said I don't know how it's spelled. No, I did. I just told them I didn't because that's a plausible outcome. I don't know how to spell Guy. His name wasn't Guy. It was GUI. I knew how to spell it. I was just like, I don't know. His name's Guy. They're like, how do you spell it? I'm like, I don't know. Maybe GI. I have no idea. But they're not going to think to spell it GUI. They're not going to think that. Yeah, DraftKings good here. I like this. Spy's coming up, pumping DraftKings a little bit. Let's go. 6% on the DraftKings. There we go. VIX halted down now. Yeah. Charge point looks like it wants to cross. Interessante. I probably wouldn't. Charge point's been a little bit of a weirdo, so careful with that one. BTTX. You've been calling that one out for a while. Is this a penny stock? Yeah. Down. That thing is going. Amy, little pop here. Let's see. DraftKings up here for a little bit. Amy 1352. Spy trying to move back up here a little bit. DraftKings getting nutty. Micron crossing up. See, that's just tempting, man. That's just tempting. It needs to be above that 200 EMA on this, and Spy needs to get going if you really want to get it going. How much is the Spy up? 0.75%. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see things. Why don't you listen to Jim Cramer more? Because he's brain dead, and I don't like him. I try not to listen or be around things that I don't enjoy. And Kramer's one of them. All right, so it's kind of just following the SPY here. Looks like that. Look at that textbook cross up on AMD. Oh, don't tempt me, bro. Yeah, it never crossed. Never crossed. So it is running up though. So watch Micron on a cross here, honestly. It needs to get above this 200 EMA. Great minds think alike. Go AA. Dude, M. Kriegs. I was saying this earlier. I was like, hey, people have been talking about this for a while. M. Kriegs, how the hell do you know? And next time, let us know that you know. M. Kriegs Insider Trading. Just kidding. Good thing you didn't go to my school. They would pull up this video and expel you due to an honor code violation. I wish they would do that. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. VXX call, paid $240, sold for $820. Boom. Damn, bro. Damn, Tim. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. The reboot is just spamming BBIG. It's coming up here a little bit. DraftKings actually looks spicy right now. I like it. I know nothing about nothing. See, you say that, and I think you're capping. So we're going to have to talk about that one, M. Greeks. We're going to have to, I might have to give a phone call to Gary over that one. Neo broke the 200. No way. It's trying. No closing candle. SPY's coming up here a little bit. Where's Quad U? Yeah, coming down. That one looks solid over here. King. Looking good. Looking solid. Micron. There you go. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Look at those freaking boom boom candles. Dude, I love that. That video gets me hyped up every time. Gary is already in here. Oh, shit. Gary? Gary. All right, let's see. Quad U is pushing back up. Not really. I mean, it's kind of going for this 13 EMA test. Let's see. Micron, what you doing here, pal? Snipe Micron calls it open. They never went red? How the hell did you do that? Let's see. DraftKings. And spicy. SPY flickering. Who is Gary Gensler? All right, Amy. Back into the green on AMC over here. Come on, let's go. Rip. All right, DraftKings flickering here. Micron, what's this doing? Need that closing candle. SPY 3-minute. Easy to see what's happening here. You think it's W in or coming up? It looks all right. I want them to print my strangle. That's what I really want. Did you watch the videos? No. M. Kriegs, I had a disaster. So I'll be fine though. I'll figure it out. I'll watch the videos when I have time. Bought micro puts this morning and went to make breakfast. I'm negative 40%. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss. If you can't watch it, Trace Mustache, you got to have a stop loss on there. Micron below the weekly 100 SMA. Where is it though? What price is it at? Where is that para breakout? Fuck. Should have held that. Nah, not really. That's just a nice candle over here. Uh, 13% on the DraftKings. Not bad. Not bad. SPY's coming up here. Micron, it's your time to shine, pal. Oh. You know, I'm going to stop sending info people. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I just have literally not had any time. I will do it, though. DraftKings. There she goes. Amy. Oh, come on. SPY, go. Go. Break that day high and rip, SPY. I know it's about the CPI stuff. I know they mess with CPI and all that stuff. I just got to look at that one. DraftKings coming up nicely. I like this one. Neo about to test day high. SPY breaking out. Is it? Print my strangle. Yeah. So I did get back into a little Micron calls too. So let's see. Oh, DraftKings selling off here a little bit. SPY a little red. Let's see. Where's Micron? That looks good. Looks good. Ortex on Amy? Yeah, I gotcha. Let's see what we got on Ortex for AMC. 100% utilization, 20.79% estimated short interest, 1.4% average cost to borrow, 107 million shares estimated to be sold short, 129.29 million shares on loan. SPY's coming up here. Nice. About Russia setting up an arbitrage situation possibly. Oh, with gold? Yeah, I got to look at that. Micron back down. LMT. It's probably tanking. Oh, no. I mean, LMT's doing all right. I wouldn't trade it anymore, though. I would leave it be. That's kind of what I'm doing with it. Quad U, what's it doing here? Ooh, Quad U is coming back up to that 13 EMA. On flickering, DraftKings. Ooh, flicker on DraftKings there, huh? A little flicker here. Yeah, coming down to that 13 EMA. Aaron, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Gary poops his pants and screams market manipulation at you. What are you doing next? Probably running away. SPY go. I think it can here. I think it definitely can. DraftKings, bro. This is not what we agreed upon. Interesting stuff in DC Insider interview. I watched talking about insider trading and everything and how they do it. All right, I gotta watch that. DraftKings selling off a little bit here. Holy VXX. It's broken. Don't think that that's an indication of where the SPY is going. It's broken. The VXX is completely broken. SPY flickering. Micron in the 30. Yeah. Oh, Micron holding here. That's actually not bad. DraftKings, where did this go? Wow. Mullen new day highs. There you go. You just bought one share of AMC for the fun of it. Now you're an ape. Welcome, my man. Welcome. No comment on what, Shelly? On what, Shelly? What'd you say? All right. 1374 on Amy. Coming back up. We're back into the green. SPY looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here. This could get fun really quick. Where's Micron? Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Here comes SPY. Oh, my stock's fucking ripping. There you go. What's she doing? Amy? I mean, I would say that this is good news on Amy today for the HYMC stuff. And it's green right now. It was up 7% at one point today. We were at 1459. Do I see us getting back up there? I think we definitely could, especially if the market wants to come back to life over here and start to give us some of those candles. But we got to be careful. They have a lot of shares that they can use against it, and they're going to continuously do that until they cannot take shares out on loan anymore. That's kind of how I see it. Micron's looking decent over here. SPY's still coming up. What did DraftKings do on that little move? Yeah, DraftKings back up here. Quad U, how's this doing? 811, not bad. AA disclaimer and canceled. Yeah, he was just like, dude, I'm out. UU cross above the 13 and get rid of those UU puts. Relax. SPY calls 50%. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's see. 85 million in volume on Mullen. Jesus. Where is Mullen right now? Is it still making highs? So yeah, this thing's dirty. Let's see if it gets back above 2 again. I mean, 2's that level it's been fighting for. It's like that. It's like BBIG when we were looking at it at 5. Like it's just fighting so hard around those levels. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. That's all I ask for, guys. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It really helps out a whole lot. Did I do Ortex on HYMC? Yes, it's on the threshold list. It's about 22% shorted right now. So it's pretty high. DraftKings doing pretty good. GME's trying to come back up here. Amy's looking all right. I mean, we're up 1.84%. SPY's looking good. Where's Micron? Is it still making highs? Yep. There we go. New day high on Neo. Yeah, this is just silly. It could just cup and handle here, so watch out. SPY new day highs. Ooh. All right, might take those quad U puts in, depending on what happens with it. Depending on what happens. DraftKings, what are you doing over here, pal? Just holding. Micron. Coming down a little bit with this little red SPY candle, but we'll see. A firm boom boom. Jesus. Is this done? No, not yet. Mullen's kissing 2. 194. What is going on with my phone over here? It's freaking out. All right, Microns look good. DraftKings look good. Let's see what we got. Mullen is flickering around too here. Let's see. SPY's coming up. This is decent over here. Nvidia. Oops. Nvidia's running. Oh, this could be good for Micron. I didn't mean to put it over here, but Nvidia's really ripping right now. Hold on. So Nvidia's really running. Let's see. Where's Micron? Is Micron still coming up? That's trying here, but Nvidia looks like it's the winner right now. Nvidia's really coming up. That's 4% today. That's pretty big. Amy's trying to pop up here. Let's see if we get this 1348 cross above this 200 EMA and start to get going. This could get interesting. Let's see. We're at 1392. We're up 2.5% right now. Let's see if we can come back into the green. Nvidia's looking strong. SPY's looking really strong right here. Let's see. AMD running. Yeah, AMD's running. Let's see. Micron, is it your time to shine? Yep, Micron's starting to come up here too. DraftKings, are you doing your thing too? It's trying. It's trying. SPY's looking good. Let's see where the SPY strangle's at. My SPY strangle about to flip back to green. -2. -2. It's red, but I mean it's perfectly fine. SPY looks good here. Yeah, AMD's running too. I wish is this going to be the one day where Micron's not the runner? Micron can still run. GME, hold on, get the candles over here, man. Up 6.3%. Whoo! Here we go. Here we go. If you were buying the dip on GME yesterday, whoo! There you go. AMC green. Here we go, everybody. Looking decent. Amy getting ready for 1348. She is. Micron looks good here. SPY is just doing numbers over here. Let's see. Yeah, SPY strangle looking promising. Quad U looking all right. The SPY calls are up 71%. Micron and DraftKings are just, the DraftKings are up 8%. The Microns are up 10%. Nothing too crazy is going on with them. Mullen running. Did it break 2? No. Mullen, little red candle here. Yeah, AMD and NVIDIA are the winners right now. You get this. There's no cross on it, though. Micron was the only one with a cross. So it's coming down now. Let's see. Wonder how TMI's calls are on GME. He probably sold them at open. He probably sold them like on this candle right here when it popped. That would be my guess on what TMI did. 423.40 is the next stop if SPY continues to rip. Nice. IWM breakout and Amy goes down on this candle. Yeah, it's stupid, bro. GME. Let's see. Where's DraftKings? DraftKings actually doesn't like it today. It wants to, but it's not getting the momentum that it needs to. If SPY is following the 13, can you use it as an entry when it tests the 13? Sometimes. Sometimes I use it as a indicator to like add. So DraftKings flicker in here. Micron just kind of holding right here. Micron rejected off the weekly. That's what we're looking for. If it breaks that, it'll go. What price is that at, Squirrel? Is it 71? Is it 71? Because that would make a lot of sense if it just rejects off 71. The SPY continues to go here. Where's the other box? I think we might do a box test on the SPY. Yeah, SPY could do this box test up here at 425.50. If it really wants to, it will. DraftKings flickering. Thoughts on Pfizer? 1348 cross down. Wait till it gets down here. You write it down. It's not bad. 70, 75, 80, 8. Okay. Let's see. King Jerome Powell and his knighthood of banks. JP Morgan Gomez. Long. Yeah. Oh, we could play banks for rate hike. Could do that. DraftKings needs to break 16. If it can break 16, it'll go. If it can't and it keeps flickering around down here, that'll suck. All right, let's see. Amy, 1376. Spy, let's see if it can make a new high. What's that? 422.50. We got some ways to go. Micron back up. Let's see what the quad U's are doing. They're only up 60-something%. DraftKings are slightly red. Oh, 70.80. Gotcha. So it's just breaking it right now. We can get a closing candle above there. That'd be sweet. So it's at 70.85. It's trying to get up here. Spy's trying to move as well. Come on. I was trying to point AMD out to you. Yeah, I saw that. It just didn't cross. There was no cross on it, so you can't really do much with it. I mean, you can if you really want to, but DraftKings pop. Let's see. Do you think the market will rip after rate hike tomorrow? It might. It honestly might. Spot. Here it goes. Spy new highs. There we go. Micron gonna do it. It wants to here. How are these Microns only up 9% with that? That's kind of silly. Quad U's coming back down. That's not bad. GME is getting some candles over here. Watch this 1348 on GME. Amy's just kind of flagging right here at 1380. Let's see what happens. Micron rejected again. VXX. It's broken, people. They broke it. Nobody's gonna trust this thing ever again. It's broken. I should have shorted the VIX. What are the puts? Are they just crazy too? Oh, the puts are not bad. Oh man. Oh, that's so tempting, especially because of my name. Micron, go back down, please. If the SPY does this, buddy, it's gonna go. I had Micron puts too. I just cut them at like 20%. I think if Micron gets this closing candle above here, I think it could get a little spicy. SPY is coming up here looking all right. $29,000 loss on VXX. Jesus, dude. What is that? All right, here comes Micron. Do it. No. Max Payne still 20? That's a good question. Micron's ripping right now. There we go. 17. 70% from this morning. Mine are probably up a little bit here. 17%. That's not bad. Quad U's are doing good. Where's the SPY Strangle? SPY Strangle's still looking promising. You got VXX, lost 4% and sold straight away. No way I was holding that. Yeah, it's smart. That's very fucking mouse. All right, let's watch Amy here for a little bit. Pain. All right, let's see. Yeah, NVIDIA is looking really strong. So SPY's looking good. Micron and DraftKings looking solid here as well. Quad U looking good on that. Let's see what we get over here, people. Neo making a run. I just careful with it, just because it really does like to flicker around hard. So Amy right now is at 13.99. It's looking for that break of 14. If we get another break and run above 14, we could get a little spicy, especially if the SPY is going to come up with us. Pero still struggling with 36.10. Yeah, I'm out of that freebie contract. You were about to buy Neo? Well, if it crossed and it looks good, you can do it. You just have to follow the strategy on it. Moderna had a cross and is tanking below the 200. Interesting. 22% on the Micron. Fire me up. Oh, I went big on the DraftKings. Fuck. I need that to go. Yeah, SPY looking good. Quad U looking good. Micron and DraftKings looking solid as well. So let's see what happens here. Let's see. Amy, it's hunting for that 14. It's hunting. All right, let's see. Quad U coming down. Let's see here. Ready to quit your job? Guys, if you do want to learn the strategy that we are using for 1348 and getting all of those alerts on all of the different time frames on 350 plus stocks, we got the 3-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 4-hour, the daily on stocks and crypto. Make sure you guys check out the link to the Discord in the top of the chat over here. It works. We're not going to tell you to do stuff that doesn't work. So I know a lot of you in here are still probably like, I don't know. Just learn the strategy. Hop in there. Make sure you guys are learning though. You can't just go in there and be like, oh, alert, cool. No, it's a strategy that you got to learn. We just make it a lot easier for you to implement the strategy. So make sure you guys check that out if you are interested. It's linked in the top of the chat and in the first link of the description as well. Tim, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Bull trap like yesterday. It could. It could. All right, let's see here. What do we got? GME's coming up now. There we go. Micron new highs. Let's see if DraftKings can break that 16. Oh, it's trying, dude. It is. If DraftKings breaks 16, watch out. I think it's going to run. GME new highs. Yep. DraftKings. There it is. If DraftKings breaks this hard with some momentum, it could run to 1620 like that. Let's see. SPY moving down a little bit here. TLT, what's up with TLT? It's coming down hard. TLT's, yeah, it's green, but it's still coming down pretty hard. So watch SPY start to keep continuing up on this TLT move. Let's see. Mara about the 1348 crossing the 5 minutes, crossing the 200. Interesting. Tim, dude, thank you so much for all those generous supers, man. You don't have to do that. Thank you so much. Micron thoughts on up. I think it looks decent. I think it looks decent, especially with the SPY right now and with the other chip makers running. I think Micron looks decent to the upside today. Let's check Mara though. Ryan wanted Mara. Mara looks good, man. Bitcoin could be ripping on this. So hold on. Where's Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin. Is this down? Yeah, it's down 1.5%. It's coming back up though. GME, woo, up 8.9% now on Jimmy. Amy 14. Oh man, come on now. Micron strong. DraftKings, did it get that break yet? DraftKings break yet? Oh, it's trying, man. Max pain this week for AMC is now 17. So it moved down a little bit. A lot of call buying. 24% on Micron, 22% on DraftKings, 66% on the call side of the SPY. The strangle's still red. Quad U, the put side's 78%. The strangle's still a little red. DraftKings running. Yeah, there it goes. Come on, let's go. Amy, here we go, Amy. 14.15 coming back up here off that little sell-off. Let's go. All right. Come on, let's stay high at 14.59 and just fucking run. GME coming up here nicely, up almost 10% on the day. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Where's Micron with this? It's all right. Amy running. Come on. I mean, it's still at 14 something, which sucks, but you know, it's better than crap. Roblox cross. Interesting. Amy 14.19 trying to go. SPY just kind of hanging out here. Let's see. Micron looking all right. Where's DraftKings? If the SPY hangs out here, DraftKings can get spicy. Neo. You guys like Neo today, huh? Yeah, Neo can be a good one. Yeah, Neo. Yeah. All right. So Neo can be a good one. Just careful with it. Just careful. It's already up 7%. SPY's coming up again. Amy 14.22, 23 coming up here a little bit. GME making new day highs over here, up 10% basically right now. Come on, let's go. DraftKings looking to make a new day high. Micron, is this looking to make a new day high? It's close, very, very close. Amy 14.26. I mean, 14.59 is the day high on Amy. Let's see if we can do it here. Let's see. Mark, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Got a lot of options ripping. Lost the internet for 10 minutes. I may have dropped a little hood in my undies. That's funny. Micron about to make a new day high. GME is just on a freaking moon mission off that tank yesterday, which is nice. DraftKings, how are we doing? Yup. Give me that money, bro. Give it to me. That's Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. That's not what I meant to say. I don't want to see anybody in the live chat making fun of me. It's fine. That's allowed. You can make fun of me. Just be nice about it. All right. Prague getting a boom. Yeah, Prague getting some candles over here. 1348 crossing coming up. Watch out for a shark fin, though. Even though it is at that day high. Where's the... Yeah, watch yesterday's high. Where's this? 120 about. Amy, 1421. SPY new day highs. There she goes. Be gentle. Yeah, be gentle. Micron, print. DraftKings, print. It's all right. 27% on Micron, 25% on DraftKings. Quad, you doing good? The SPY strangle is gonna go green soon, I think. So that'll be nice. That'll be very nice. If this SPY strangle starts to go green, that would be sweet. You bought GME for the first time yesterday? Woo! There you go, man. Oh, Jimmy's getting some candles. Why is AMC adding more debt? Who the hell said they were adding more debt? Where'd you get that from? DraftKings new highs. All right, come on, SPY strangle. I need you here, pal. All right, Jimmy looking good. Amy showing some life. Showing some life over here. Come on, girl, go. Shill's making stuff up now? I guess so. That's just what happens. All right, SPY chilling here. Where's Micron? We need a boom out of you. Let's go. MC straight in, no kissing. Stop. That's just rude. FTDs are out. Let's look. Failures to deliver. Ooh, a little bit spiky over here. A little bit spiky. 297,000. Couldn't help myself. Dropped another 2K in AMC at 1377. And a boy. DraftKings, you gonna get spicy on me here? DraftKings is moving a little weird today. So it's not moving the way it typically does. Ford breaking 16. Is that up or down? Where's Ford? Yeah, Ford coming up on a little cross. I don't know. SPY, I think SPY wants to test the box here. I think it wants to test. So we'll see. Ford looking good. DraftKings below 16. 1604. Let's see if we can use that as some support. Micron holding decent here. Amy 1421. Jimmy up 10% on the day. Here we go. Micron moving. Just waiting on that lunch crunch. Yeah. Can't wait to see new highs on your pant leg and new lows on your socks. That's okay. That's weird, bro. That's weird. New trading tactic. For every successful 1348 trade, 5% profit into AMC shares or minimum one share. There you go. There you go, man. I mean, you guys are crushing it with 1348. So, I mean, do whatever you want with that money. It's yours. It's yours. Come on, break that high. Run to 1620. Do it. Do it. Give it to me. Just kidding. That was weird. Just kidding. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. That was good. Well, it was good. Oh, DraftKings wants it. SPY wants it here. Come on, SPY. Quad U, what in the shit are you doing? Micron Technologies. I don't know. SPY, don't you do it. I know what you're thinking. Don't. Amy 1423 over here coming up. GME trying to get a candle. SPY, I know what you're thinking here, and don't do it. Don't. Oh, DraftKings coming up. There we go. Print. Aggressive VIX. Yeah, bro. Yep. Let's see. Guys, also, if you don't mind, as you're filtering in, hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. That's all I ask for. Thank you guys so much for all your support recently. It's been really, really cool. SPY, I told you, don't do that. I told you. SPY wants a rug. I know it does. It really does. DraftKings, what are we doing? Yeah. It does. Watch this at the 1 minute 13 EMA. AMC and BBIG trading identical together in a minute. Dude, I swear to God, they put that stuff in the same basket. They are just... All right, SPY. It's time for a 13 test, new day high. Nope. Oh, SPY. I told you. All right. Being an asshole here. SPY's being an asshole. All right, DraftKings coming down. Where's Micron? Don't you do it. Don't you do it. GME halted? No, GME's fine. 85.93. Prague doing pretty well today. Yeah, I was getting some candles over there. All right, SPY. Fucking stop. Wait, Paramount CEO. Oh, no. Oh, no. Did I screw this up? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, it's not moving. Yeah, Jimmy's moving around. It's fine. See, this when it does this on the 1 minute, I don't like it. Like, it just, things start to move weird when SPY does this on the 1 minute. And things in general do this on the 1 minute. Where's DraftKings? I might just take profit on this and run. I don't know. We'll see. Can I leave any free contracts? Sort of. I can maybe leave a free DraftKings, and then I'd have to take the Micron. Fuck. All right, let's give it a minute. Let's see. AMC investing in Highcroft Gold and Silver. Interesting. Yeah, very interesting. All right, Amy coming back down. DraftKings 1601. Micron. I mean, what's up RSI on the SPY? Maybe it's just an RSI cooldown. Yeah, RSI just fell below 50 on the SPY. Just came back up. Okay, let's see. It's got some room to run. Oh, wait, this is the 1 minute. Why am I stupid? No, it's at 60. Yeah, this is probably just an RSI cooldown. He said he had to go prospecting to have time for Kramer. Yeah, so SPY came up, tested 70 on the RSI, and then came back right down. This could be a little RSI cool off before it wants to go up again. Your energy drink wore off, bro. Good thing I got another one. And I got some left of this one, too. It's going to be energy drink season here. Energy drink and, like, I don't know, alcohol. Isn't a strangle just a call and a put for the same expiration? Yes. Hey, bought some boots. They're identical. Yeah, it's stupid, M. Creeks. It's nonsense. All right, let's see what the SPY wants to do here. Amy, 1405. DraftKings coming back. Squirrel, are you on Micron calls, buddy? With me? You hopping in? I think that's just an RSI cooldown. Before it wants to come back up. Looks like Lucid just crossed up, but it got smacked. It probably did. Let's look at Lucid. Yeah, so Lucid is at that day high, and it just crossed and then came right back down, but it's coming back up here a little bit. All right, SPY's just flickering. Oh, Micron bounce. DraftKings, you bouncing too, pal? A little bit. SPY just not having all that much fun over here. Apple, you're an Apple? Apple calls or Apple puts, buddy? Soldier SPY 422 calls for a loss this morning. Wish I would have held. It happens, man. I mean, I still have my strangle here. It's doing okay. It's not the best thing in the world, but I mean, it's down, but All right, Quad U is coming down again. Kramer talking about AMC video. He's stupid. You what? $86 GME calls yesterday. I told myself if I recovered my loss, I would never trade outside 1340 again. I recovered my loss. There we go. Sue Ray, thank you so much for being a member, man. I appreciate that. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys, honestly, so much for all the support. Let's go, Amy. Do work. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping we can get some work going on, Amy, over here. DraftKings 1608 Micron. They are not looking good. Oh yeah. I don't know. I mean, SPY could rug here. That's the issue with this. It's hanging around 422. If it breaks that, I mean, things are gonna get a little selly. Let's see. Micron coming down. Yeah. SPY. Amy coming down to test that 13. Is this on the 1 minute on the SPY? Yeah, it's just. What's the high on the SPY? 422.82. Okay. Did you get to watching that video yet, Ryan? I haven't gotten to anything yet. I'm very, very slammed right now. I gotta sit down and just be like, all right, these are the things I need to do, and then do it. All right, SPY. Where's DraftKings? Did it sell off below 16? Oh, you fuck. All right, where's the RSI now? It might need to cool a little bit more. DraftKings coming down a little here. MU. Holden. SPY's trying to come up here a little bit. Let's see. What was the news on Parrot? I don't really think there was a big news. Did it rip on it? No. I can go back and look at it, but it wasn't anything crazy, I don't think. Wait, Vail. Hold on. Vail ordered to remove mine workers. Is it this? Oh, click one. Let's see. It's not moving on it. Let's see. SPY's hanging out right around 422. Micron. Is DraftKings below 16? That's annoying. Ryan Cohen tweeted that shorts are the dumb stormtroopers in the financial gap. They are. He's correct. He's not. DraftKings coming down to test this 13. Let's see what happens at the 13 test. If it falls below, I'll just take him. Oh, SPY coming down. Testing the 48. What's this on the 5 minute? Looks like it wants to get a MACD cross to the downside here. Let's see. Parent announced a supplemental dividend yesterday. That's why it ran. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what SPY wants to do here. Yeah, they are. HYMC is going to announce an offering 100%. I can almost guarantee they're about to announce an offer. Just found out the Bitcoin gets purchased as soon as you generate the gift card. You can pay for your daily shopping. So if I'm going to make big purchase, I do it when Bitcoin is low for max gains. There you go. All right. SPY kind of bounced around this 13 here. DraftKings bounced off its 13. DraftKings NFT news. 12 minutes ago. College basketball NFTs. That's honestly pretty interesting. I don't know if they're going to run on that, but kiss the like button. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. All right. SPY bouncing off its 13 EMA over here. Amy right around 14. Is it worth paying for TradingView? Yeah, it's a write-off too. Can you explain what an offering is? Yes. So companies that need to raise more capital, what they'll do is they'll sell more shares to the public. That's essentially what an IPO is. It's an initial public offering. They're able to raise a lot of money. It's also labeled as like a liquidity event for shareholders because technically the company is worth something, but it's illiquid because you're essentially, if you're a private company, it's like OTC kind of, because you have to go to somebody else that's going to buy your shares on an agreed upon price. You could get screwed. You could screw over the other person and make a bunch of money. It depends. Now, when you do an IPO, typically these people are going to make a boatload of cash. After you do an IPO, you raise the money from the public. Typically, it's going to be you sell the initial round to the banks. The banks sell it to the public. That's how typical IPOs will work. And then after, if you need more capital, you have more shares on backlog where you can just be like, okay, well, now we're going to sell these shares to the market, raise more money if we need to, and dilute the share price a little bit. But it's possible that if there's a bunch of synthetics in a stock, it can actually be non-dilutive, because if you're going to use those, it kind of cancels it out. That's kind of what you look at with like AMC in the past. But essentially what it is just companies raising more money. DraftKings coming down. Micron holding decently here. Kramer losing his mind on TV. I mean, I still have him. No. All right, Spy, what are we going to do here, pal? All right, time for energy drink number 2. Here we go. Micron bounce. It wants to. More red candles on Amy. Yeah, it's coming down to its 13. Same thing with the SPY. It's following the market. Following the market. DraftKings. Let's see. What are we playing today? Whatever you want. SPY little pop here. Come on, Amy, let's go. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure launches new services and capabilities focused on giving customers even more flexibility. It's just normal run. All right, SPY back above 422 here. Here we go. We got that RSI cool off. Let's see if it wants to come back up here and start to run a little bit. We didn't get that MACD cross down, though, which is interesting. So DraftKings, is it back above 16 yet? No, but it's trying. Micron, looks all right here. By we, I mean you. Exactly. Stock up good. Stock down bad. Jared, thanks to the Super Buddy. Wouldn't a share offering reduce the short interest? In terms of a percentage, yes, it can. Because technically then there's more shares. There's an increase in the float. And if they keep the shares, the number of shares that are shorted the same, it will decrease the short interest in the stock. So you technically, yes, but it's the same amount of shares typically. So SPY is trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Micron's trying to do something special here. DraftKings, I think I'm going to cut it. I think this is just a little nonsense move on DraftKings. I mean, I have a little bit of money on it. It hasn't hit the stop yet, so we'll see. If SPY starts to go on another moon mission here, it could get spicy. Hasn't crossed the 5-minute MACD yet. Let's see. I'm playing right now DraftKings and Micron. And I have my SPY Strangle, and I have my Quad U Strangle. Quad U Strangle looks good. Micron calls. They're all right. Cut it. The price is way too high. You need to cut it. All right. It's holding right at that 13. Family from Ukraine arrived today. Man, they only have one bag with their stuff. That's so bad. Damn, man. Sorry about that. I'm glad they're safe though, and they're in the US. That's good. That's a good thing. All right, let me pull up Micron with the STC and DraftKings. Yep, looks good on the 5-minute. Actually, let me check the 3-minute as well. Because if it crossed down on the 3-minute, that would suck. No, it's good on the 3-minute as well. DraftKings, I mean, this probably crossed down on the 3-minute. Yeah, 5-minute. No, not yet, but it's about to. What's it at? Yeah, 86. Okay, SPY's trying to come back up here. Micron's doing all right. Stock down good. Stock down bad. Is dude from free? Is it really? I don't know. I just kind of started saying it. I didn't even know that was from something. That's pretty interesting. All right, guys. Yeah, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way in as well, helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff and the algorithm. That's all I ask for. If you, it just helps me out a whole lot. So if you guys don't mind, cost me nothing to do it. Thank you so much for those of you guys who have done it and who are about to. Helps out a whole lot. Let's see. Gold and silver. Yeah, Micron crossing on the 20-minute. Is it now? DraftKings popping back up. Micron. Yeah, let's look at Micron on a variety of different time frames over here. So the 30 wants to cross. It's well below this 200 EMA, though. If it comes up to that 200 EMA on the 30-minute, dude, that's going to be ridiculous. What about on like the 15? Oops, that's the 4-hour. That was not what we wanted. 15-minute. 15-minute, it crossed. SPY's coming up, though. There we go. You can't find STC on Webull. It's not on there. It's only on TradingView. All right. So it looks like I was correct in that little RSI cool off on the SPY for now. Let's check DraftKings on the 30. DraftKings back above 16. All right, let's see. What are these contracts doing? 26% on Micron, 15% on DraftKings. SPY doing all right. Quad U strangle. Yeah, it's all right. Let's see. VXX is drunk. It's broken is what it is. It's just completely broken. DraftKings ready to cross up on the 15-minute? Yeah, where is that? I think I'm on the 15-minute here. It already crossed up on the 15. So what about the 30? Well, cross up above the 200 EMA at 1635. That'd be sweet. That's the 15. Where's the 30? 30, it's looking for it here. The 30, it's looking for. What about the SPY on the 15 and the 30? SPY might be getting across. Yeah, okay. So SPY is crossing the 30-minute right now. Interesting. Okay, let's throw this back on the 5. Things are looking decent. All right, let's see. Micron. Yo. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. What's up, buddy? How you doing? All right, Micron, that's on the 30. Throw that on the 5. SPY's just kind of hanging around here. Let's see if it makes a new high off of this 13 EMA test. I hope it does. Stack silver. What's his name? Rhode Island stacking silver. I know that. I don't know if Rhode Island's in here right now, but Rhode Island's a silver stacker. DraftKings flickering. Working and listening. Keep up the good work. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Gold and silver will end the Fed. Yeah. Oh, we got Mass Gang coming in. What's up, people? How you guys doing? BBIG and Prague Vortex look like? You could look at Biggie in Prague. We could do that. Biggie. BBIG 16.16% estimated short interest, 12% cost to borrow, 100% utilization. Prague. All right, DraftKings selling off a little bit here, a couple cents. Prague 95.86% utilization, 13.33% estimated short interest, 9.56% average cost to borrow. SPY down. Micron probably coming down as well. Not really. Walmart coming back. Oh, I think I still. Do I still have him? Oh, I still have him. Nice. I went small on it. So, yeah, Walmart is coming back here. Because Walmart does this. It'll do its thing in the morning, come down, and then rip into the afternoon. Here comes the Duck Gang. What's up, people? XDeath0, how you doing, my man? UVXY is not drunk like VXX. VXX, just leave it alone. Just leave it be. DraftKings, how we doing over here? Check Qualcomm. Oh, shoot. We haven't even looked at Qualcomm. Qualcomm pop. DraftKings, what are you doing here, pal? Why isn't the chart reflecting our new gold and silver mine? I mean, we'll see. I mean, it looks like it wants to go. So 1388 on AMC right now. SPY looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here. Let's see what happens with DraftKings, Micron, and a couple of these other ones. So Micron looks good. Walmart, how's this doing? Back above 145 yet? Oh, it's close. Ben, we want that 145 breakout, pal. Let's pump the likes. These are rookie numbers. STV Synthetic Dog. I appreciate that, buddy. Wally World. Russia sanctioned Biden and Hillary. Okay. Russia's not really in the position to be issuing sanctions. Let's see. What are we at here? 25% on the Microns, 2.5% on the DraftKings. SPYs are good. Walmarts are coming back. Quad U's are doing good. Let's see here. Need a couple closing 5-minute candles above 145? Yeah. Unusual whales tweet. What happened? Full sanctions include Hillary and Biden's son Hunter. Why? Why are they doing this? Source. This just in Russia just posting on Brandon's son. Wait, the stop list, which is what do they do? The stop list. They don't want to. Are they literally saying you just can't come to Russia? Like they don't want to go, bro. They don't want to go. Oh, Micron looking good. There we go. DraftKings. Yeah. All right, Spy. Let's go. He's so petty. Why do I? I thought they liked Hunter. Apparently they don't. Oh, DraftKings, don't be such a hoe. Micron, same to you, pal. Apple's moving. They don't want to go, but they can't. That's funny, man. Like, that's funny. You can't, like, that's hilarious. All right. Spy's moving down. I swear to God, if Spy moves down on these sanctions, why did they sanction Hillary? Like, why? Let's see. Craig, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. How come the media isn't covering how Ukraine just stated they won't join NATO and ceasefire and troop withdrawal in serious talks? Why is market up? Well, if ceasefire and troop withdrawal are in serious talks, then you would see bullish moves in the market. But because the media sucks, dude. What is the one thing that we've learned? No media. Fox, CNN, CNBC, every single big media outlet is out to make money off of you. PPCs, CPMs, how they evaluate news. Shout out to Josh. All right. Let's see here. Spy back down a little bit here. Micron flickering his DraftKings. It's just getting sparked. No, not really. Yeah, why did they censor Hillary? But like, why? She's not even like, unless they think that like, oh, Hillary's running stuff around here. And Hunter, like, why? It's just so random. It's just like, oh yeah, your son, done. Oh yeah, that old Secretary of State in the former presidential, she was Secretary of State, right? I don't know. An old presidential candidate, you too? Nope. Like, imagine if they just did like, yeah, Jeb Bush? No, none of that. You can't come either. Like, you just be like, wait, why are they doing this? All right, Spy flicker in here. Where's Micron? Did they ban Nelk? Did they get Nelk doing the sanctions? No, but imagine if they were just like who's this silly presidential candidate? Like just one that never is going to win. Like who's the independent? Or imagine if they were just like, hey, Andrew Yang, guess what? You can't come to Russia. It's like, okay. All right, let's see. Micron coming up. It's just fun. Bernie. Kanye. Yeah, it'd be like if they said, "Okay, Kanye, you can't come." Like that's what it is right here. It's just silly. All right, Micron coming back up. Nice. Spy's just kind of flickering around. Where's DraftKings? Hillary has a lot more power than you think. I know. I'm just joking around. Kim K. Nope, not allowed in Russia. Let's see here. Seems like you need to do your DD on this situation. Or you should probably not expect a 22-year-old college student to be a foreign policy expert of war. And I'm also not going to like feed into like crazy politics. Because at the end of the day, I don't care. With like everybody's sides. I just don't care. It's telling. It just seems funny the way that they did it. See, now everybody's going to be like, nah, bro. And it's like, all right, okay. We can't even have fun around here. All right. Spy coming up a little bit here. Let's see. DraftKings trying to pop. Bob Lazar. Let's see. Dude, these DraftKings are so flat. 26% on the Micron. Oh, DraftKings just went flat. Where the Amy calls that? Oh, that sucks. Dude, I know there's all that stuff out there. You think I'm stupid? I'm just making jokes. I'm making jokes. I thought it was funny. Thank you. All right, DraftKings is looking like that's going to be a bye-bye soon. DraftKings may cross down. Give it some time. Let's see what happens with the SPY here. It's just kind of hanging out. People get so serious. I know. Like, I'm with you. Like, I'm down to feed into the stuff. It's just like, not here. Not doing it here. All right, DraftKings coming down. Where's Micron? Flickering. Let's see. Amy, come on. All right. Quad U's doing good. Must be the first time here. Dude, I always make jokes. Everybody gets jokes around here. All right. SPY testing that 13 again. Is it below? Yeah, below 422. Doesn't really like that 422 today. Hanging out above. Doesn't like it. What is the single most expensive option you've ever paid for? Well, probably Lockheed. It's probably Lockheed. I mean, that's probably what it is. SONM, moving military communications. Ooh, hold on. I'll check Lockheed right before that. Not moving. SONM. Sonam. Oh, this thing's going on a moon mission here. Woo! There you go. DraftKings. Ooh, I just heard a cat. Meow. All right, here we go. Yeah, I don't know. Where are the DraftKings right now? All right, tight stop on this one. We'll see what happens here. Meow. Do I ever play Google options? Nah, I'm not at that level. SPY back above 422. Let's see here, folks. Amy trying to pop up here a little bit. I mean, it wants to get that cross of 14 again. 24% on the Micron, down about 5% on the DraftKings. Let's see what happens here. Walmart's actually, where's Walmart, Ben? Ben, I'm with you on the Walmarts. Let's see. SPY just keeps doing these tests of the 13. Yeah, I mean, the chip makers look good. Like, we could easily see these new day highs over here start to pop off if SPY starts to run again. 1396 on Amy, up about 3% right here. GME's up 8%. That's solid. Got a contract with Microsoft. Heads up. Ooh, that's interesting. That's not a cat. It's a Shiba. That was funny yesterday. But there definitely was a cat outside. Oh. Ugh. Flashbacks. That hurts. Oh, darn. Don't. No. All right, SPY. Let's go. Come on. Give me more money. Walmart trying? Yeah, I know. I'll hold it for a little bit. DraftKings. Yeah, we need DraftKings back above that. Fuck. What is it on the 30? That would suck if it came down to test the 48 EMA on the 30. SPY's coming up here. Come on. Come on, pal. Huh, okay. Para dropping. Check out Para. Yeah, I'm out of that free contract. Yeah, Para's coming down hard right now. So I'm out of the freebie, which is good. And VIX is banned too for market manipulation on 1348. Hey man. 1348's the truth. All right. 25% of the microns. I mean, I can't make anything free, which kind of sucks. I mean, I wish I had more contracts so I could just make it free. But, I mean, I can eventually, if DraftKings gets another good pop, I can make those free, but we'll see. Yeah. All right, let's see here. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Let's watch it at the high. 422.82s are the highs. So it's got another 40 cents to go to see. Where's Micron? Is Micron up here at the high yet? Ah, it's close, man. Ah, here comes the Spy. Here she goes. Dude, I mean, a lot of you guys probably have already seen the Batman. You know that, like, Something in the Way song? That stuff slaps. Am I in GME at all? Yeah. Amy 1392. I'd like never listened to Nirvana before, and I was like, oh, makes sense. All right. Hey. Walmart. Oh, Ben, are we getting it? Are we getting it? Yep, there we go. Walmart pop. That's what we like to see. ARQQ. Yeah, I've heard of ARQQ before. Yeah, Walmart looking good here. Wally World. Buying in the 4s. Okay, so the reason you can do it in different multiples too. You can do it by 5s because you don't need the contracts to go up very much if you're buying in 5s. So in 4s, if you buy in 4s, when the contract goes up 40%, you can sell 3 of them, have a free contract, and make 5% on your trade. So you can buy 4 contracts, aim for 40% profit, sell 3 of them. That's what I did with Para. Have a guaranteed 5% profit on the trade. If that freebie contract goes to 0, you're still good to go, and then or you could just continue to make lots of money. See, Spy is just slow today. Like this is just what everything's kind of all right. So you got that 5-minute MACD cross down. Let's see what happens. This might be the all right, Spy. Let's see what we want to do here, pal. Never listen to Nirvana. I'm 22. All right, we're gonna do a tight stop on these DraftKings. Let's see. All right, let's see here. My soul. Yeah, I haven't. Sorry. I listen to. I don't want to say it. Never mind. You guys know what I listen to. All right, let's see. You just lost your teen spirit. What do you think? I'm an angsty teen? I might be. No excuse. All right, let's see. Fucking DraftKings. Are we holding? Holding all right up here. Where's Micron on the STC? Yeah, 5-minute DraftKings STC came down. It's below the 20. See, everything is screaming, get out. Get out. Couple Micron here. It looks all right. All right, we'll leave DraftKings up here for a little bit. See what happens with this. It just doesn't look great. Nunya, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. SBFM, can you look at the chart? Yes, I can. Guys, thank you so much for those supers. You guys know you don't have to send those in if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do. Thank you so much for all that support, guys. I really, really appreciate it. You guys, I know you guys don't have to do that, but it really helps out a whole lot. Thank you, guys. SBFM, yeah, a lot of shark fins across the board here on this thing. On the 4, I mean, it's up 26% today. Ooh, this thing's just dirty. This is like a buy it and hold on for dear life because this thing will probably run back up. I mean, it's above the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. It's got that 1348 cross here. It's just wild. Like this thing, it IPO'd back here. Biotech, careful with biotechs. M. Kriegs, I would ask M. Kriegs about this one. She knows the biotechs. If you get a biotech question, it's just like M. because she'll know pretty much because she's also a nurse. So she'll have better information about like what is actually going on with the company if she looks into it. If I look at it, I'll just be like, I don't know what the hell this is. Let's see. DraftKings, if it falls below 70, we're out. 1570, we're done. I just got made fun of. It's fine. It happens around here. I feel like that's the theme. $25% on the Micron. All right, I'm down 10% on the DraftKings. Let's see what happens here. If this flickers to 69, I'm out. Which ticker? SBFM. Can you check out Teen Spirit Airlines? No. It's great to be young and clueless. No offense, STV. I just don't know some things. Like, I know a lot about a lot of stuff, but there are just some things that I'm just like, I don't know, bro. Like, you guys say stuff, and I'm like, I don't know. Aaron, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Nirvana reunion is so. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, that's who was in Nirvana. Oh, I get it now. Aaron, I feel like that's one too far and two too soon. Oh, spy. Let's make that high here, pal. All right, I didn't sell the DraftKings yet, but look at this. Oh, new highs on the spy. Here she goes. Come on, leave the guy alone. Yeah, Micron, new highs. Oh, there we go, team. There we go. All right, those DraftKings didn't really pop. I don't like that. It hurts my soul. All right, I don't know. I think I kind of. What are these microns at? 30%, 33% up on the draft or on the microns, down about 9.5% on the DraftKings. So let's see. Have you ever heard of the Beatles? Yes, bro. I've heard of the Beatles. How did this not crank that spy call? It's just silly. That's just silly. All right, DraftKings down. I think we're going to cut that one. Let's see, where's spy? It doesn't like it today. It's not having a whole lot of fun. All right, so I put out a little sell order for DraftKings. Let's see if it's going to hit. Yeah, they hit it. Cool. All right, I'm out of the DraftKings. Still holding the microns, though. I'm going to be a little bit nutty with the microns, I think. Walmarts are coming back. Ben, let's get after it with these microns, huh, pal? Beetlejuice? Dude, I love Beetlejuice. You guys know that, like, from yesterday, I think somebody was talking about the those videos, the ShamWow stuff. I gotta be careful when I say the title, because I'll like know the title, and I'm like, I cannot do that. Like, it's not allowed. It's not a good thing. But like, Beetlejuice is hilarious. You're going to an Elvis concert tonight? Ever heard of him? No, obviously, bro. All right, Amy coming down a little bit here. Spy trying to come back up. Micron looking solid over here. I'm not going to be Beetlejuice or Halloween. Are you talking about Michael Keaton or Beetlejuice? Like that, there's a key difference. Micron new highs. There's a key difference. SBFM, not profitable last year. However, as a cancer therapy pharma, in works with the University of Arizona and Chicago for development. Risk is that they are still early and have multiple clinical trials to go. There you go. Whoever's asking about SBFM. Oh, I think it was Nunya. There you go. New guy. Autocorrect. Autocorrect, new guy. Stop. The autocorrect, my man. All right. Spy looks like it wants to come up here. Hey, stop spamming. I'm not going to look at your ticker now because you're spamming. Keith, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate it. Stop picking on SV just because he has huge gaps in his pop culture knowledge base. SV, I have a Discord that will give you all the pop culture alerts. All you need over 3 movies now, $600. Keith, see, the thing is, though, is that's not going to make me money. That's the problem. Your pop culture Discord is not going to really be like a money printer for me. So I would not find value in that. Where's the new guy? Did the new guy catch what he did? No, not yet. New guy, autocorrect, pal. All right, spy coming up here. I'm your dad. I don't think I am your dad. I think that 44% on the micron. Thank you, sir. Let's see. Julian, thanks for the super buddy. I really appreciate it, man. Guys, thank you guys so much. You guys know you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do. It really helps out a whole lot. I'm not like them, but I could pretend AMC, GME, and soon GGPI. There you go. Yeah, Polestar. Did he mean Moderna? No, he meant Micron, but I knew what he was talking about. He just got caught with the autocorrect. You'll get more subscribers if you can talk pop culture language. No, see, the thing is I know pop culture references for my generation, and you guys would look at me like, oh, I don't know what that is. Wow. On the spy. Is this Strangle green yet? That's nonsense. That is nonsense that my strangle is not green right now with the SPY up 1.5%. Nonsense. Water under the fridge? Stop. Oh, sorry. I meant Mullen. God. Oh, you meant Mullen. Oh, I thought you meant Micron. SCV Hairline. Thanks to the super. He only knows Spice Girls. Honestly, I don't really know that one. That one I don't know. Walmart trying so hard, dude. I know I think it can do it. I think we can get her going here. You end up on Jeopardy. It might. Oh, Jeopardy. I'm good to go. Because I know random facts about stuff. Like, I could just come out here. If something pops into my head, you'll be like, how do you know that? And I'll just be like, I don't know. It's just, I just do. Oh, Micron. DraftKings making you so mad. Dude, I cut it. I was like, this is just nonsense over here. I got a lot of other plays out there, too, that are just kind of like running around. 47% on the Micron right now. That's not bad. I went bigger on the DraftKings, though, so I'm like kind of pissed. Like, I wanted it to go. The Quad U side is doing all right. Let's see. Ethan, thanks for the super, buddy. SB, mind doing a ballpark ROI estimate versus the same value acquisition theaters for mine? Wait. Where's the same value acquisition theater? They tell you in the earnings. I would go back and look at the earnings report on what they're generating. You got Micron too? Oh, so we're good. Nvidia calls up 80%. Yeah, that was the winner. I think Micron can get spicy though. SPY's coming up making new highs over here. I gotta extendo the box. Hold on. Another box extendo day. Because we ran through all these. All right, hold on. We're gonna do this really quick so we can extendo the box really quick. There she goes. If my SPY calls running the money, I'm gonna lose my mind. You're right there. Fine, we'll leave it right here. Close enough. Back to the 5-minute. Oh, hello there, Mr. S&P 500. Is DraftKings coming back? I was like tight stop. I thought 10% on that one. Yeah, it's not doing it today. It just doesn't want it. It doesn't have the motivation. Micron does though. So we're gonna hang out with this one. We've traded the nuts out of Micron recently. So hopefully you guys are happy. 50% on the Microns. Not bad. Clear to see who makes the pants around here. We're not like pants producers. Let's see. Apple calls 83%. Damn, son. There you go. I mean, Micron can get spicy from here. So let's see. New highs on Micron. Why are you guys saying worst case Ontario? That's not a phrase. That is just not a phrase. That's just not how it works. All right, Micron's getting spicy over here. SPY coming up. I swear if this SPY strangle doesn't go green soon, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but 60% on the Micron. I'm holding. Apple running. It never got across though, I don't think. Apple doing good. Apple is doing good over here. Apple ripping, dude. SPY's probably gonna. I'm calling it. Box test. Box test right here. I'm gonna rock it any minute now. Fucking. I don't have any. What do you call it? Settled cash left. I burned it all. What's wrong with Ontario? Nothing. It's just that's not the phrase. You can't say worst case Ontario. Like that's not real. That's like boomer talk right there. We're not gonna be having any boomer talk in these live chats over here. All right. SPY moving. Oh, Micron. There we go, dude. I might just trade Micron from now on. Wouldn't it be nice if in the future A issues a dividend in gold and silver? Bro, if that's the play, That would be hilarious. SPY just new highs over here. It's just still doing it. Let's see. Micron, it's your time to shine here, pal. Did SPY beat earnings? There is no SPY earnings. All right. Rip on the SPY. Come on, bro. 61% on Micron. Oh, there we go. 96% on the SPY call. Come on, Micron. 73. Let's go. What's my strike? I think it's 72.50. Yeah, so I got the 72.50 on Micron. It's right there. SPY still moving up. I still think we're going to see a box test. SPY strangle finally green. Yeah, mine's a little bit deeper, so it needs to go a little bit more. How likely is it the Fed to raise rates tomorrow? It's like 90% certainty that they're going to do it. That's what the market's pricing in. All right. Mind bot. Okay, guys. You guys are going to make me have an aneurysm. Would the 48 EMA crossing over the 200 EMA be a better indicator or a sign of an early move? No, it'll get you in way later. Look, so you see the 13 cross the 200. Where does the 48 cross? Way the hell over here. See, that's not really what you want. I mean, I think SPY is going to do a box test. I think it's going to test it, come back down. But I think we're going to get up to here. Just with the way it looks today, I think it's got the potential to get up there. What's the bottom of that box? I think it's 425.50. I mean, it's going to say 425.60, but it's 425.50 is the level. Can you do videos on supply and demand? I've watched other videos, but feel that you gave in TMI across the teaching aspect, something about y'all helping help things click. Yeah. So in my 1348 video that I'll probably be doing for this next weekend, that's where we'll get it going there. I'm an accountant. If anyone has tax questions, Harry, I need help. I need help. Micron, SPY's coming up. You need to go up as well here. 42% on Micron so far. Yeah, I'm up 61. Quad, where's Quad U? Yeah, it's hanging around 8. It's hanging around 8. SPY is just, I don't know, tear. Do I pay them or not? You probably should pay them. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream on your way in, helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. And if you do want to learn the 1348 strategy that we're using to just literally steal money from the market makers, the same people that are manipulating our stock on a day-to-day basis, make sure you check out the link to the Discord in the top of the live chat over here. We'd love to see you guys in the premium, but again, learn the strategy first, and then you can use the tool that we have out there to essentially just turbocharge and make it so easy to implement the strategy. So make sure you guys check that out if you're interested. It's linked in the top of the live chat and the first link in the description as well. Ooh, Micron big red over here. You give money to the market makers? That's no, stop it. Don't do that. Do not do that. All right. So Micron came back down a little bit here. SPY's still looking like it wants to go here, though. So we'll see what happens with this. Where's that strangle at? It's slightly down. Qualcomm breakout levels. Yeah. Where is it? If it gets this closing candle above with this 1348, that could be good. What's your favorite drink? If you say seltzer, what do you mean? Did I get my car yet? No, I have to go do that tonight. Ron, you're making my head hurt, bro. You're just hurting my brain over here, pal. Micron. Amy, red candle. SPY still looks good here. Let's see. All right. 150% on my long fuel cell put. There you go, man. All right. SPY. Little red over here. I wouldn't be surprised if Micron comes down and tests this 13 EMA back here. Wouldn't be that surprising. It's at 71.53 right now. I mean, that's a 50-cent drop from where we're at. It would probably be a little bit higher by the time that we actually get there, but we'll see. So AMC now is pretty flat on the day, 13.58 over here. Micron trying to fight over here. SPY still looks very, very strong. So let's see. They are shorting Amy today. They do it every day. Why do you stop using 50, 100, and 200 MAs? Because 1348 is 1,000 times better. And that's why I use it. And that's why I try to get you guys all in on it. All right, folks. Let's see. Where is Al from Boston? Probably Boston. I don't know. All right, let's see. SPY's probably coming down to that 1 minute. Yeah, so it's testing the 1 minute 13 EMA over here. Micron's probably below its. Yeah, Micron's coming down to the 25. Let's see what happens with the SPY. I mean, it's tested these 48s before. I really like it if it didn't. Let's see. I'm only going to test the high of the day. Interesting. You must not have beer for a while. Yeah, I'm not a beer guy. I know. I feel like we've been over this, but not a beer guy, bro. Charge point cross down. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Oh, I'm tired. Couldn't fall asleep last night. Let's see. 2 more weeks until I get moved to the night shift for a couple months. I hate nights, but I'm excited for 1348 games with my time off during the day. Woo! There we go, Mark. All right. AMC or text? Yeah, I got you guys. Let's see. Amy or text. What do we got? What do we got? So 100% utilization, 1.4% average cost to borrow, net borrow of 852,000 shares, 20.8% estimated short interest. They still got about 22 million shares that they can use against us here. So Micron's trying to bounce a little here. SPY's, oh, there we go. On the 1 minute, bouncing off that 13 EMA right here. I like to see that. I do like to see that. Let's see. Is the 1348 Discord a paid membership? It's the premium. Yes, it is. But you can learn the strategy completely for free. We're basically just giving you like steroids, and it's so much easier to find them. And you don't have to do it for yourself. You just get the alert on the 350 stocks on the 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, like on stocks in crypto, like in the private live streams you get with the premium too, where we go over the strategy and kind of answer questions and make sure everybody's on the same page. So that's what premium's for, but you can learn the strategy for free. It's not like we're gatekeeping the information. Like you can learn it. Let's see here. Showtime. Thanks for the super buddy. HYMC puts printed, para printed, but para might cross. Yeah. So I'm out of the para calls. Good for you on the HCMC. I mean, that's not a bad, or HYMC. It's not a bad play on a rip like that. Especially if it's like, on some crazy like new buy-in news. That's not a bad idea, but I mean, good for you for making the money. Lynn, thank you so much for the super. Made 1.3K on SPY calls, probably sold early, but I'm happy with that. Lynn, damn. Woo! There you freaking go. That is awesome. Yeah, I mean, there was no cross on it, but you crushed it with that one. There you go. Thank you, SCB. Anytime, Korean Union. Yeah, we'd love to see you in there, buddy. It's a solid strategy. We have a really awesome community in there of people just printing and just literally changing how they view the market. Did your voice just crack? Yeah, probably. At 1348 will have you hitting the ball like Barry Bonds. Yeah. Can you filter the alerts in the Discord? Yeah, you can if you want to. You just have to turn off notifications for the timeframes that you don't want. You just go in there and do it. But yeah, check that out, guys. Learn the strategy. We'd love to see you in there. If you're still a little hesitant, learn the strategy, see how it works first. But eventually, we'd love to see you guys in there. Let's see. 7201, 1.3K. That's a lot of GME at the current price. Yeah, that's like 13, 14 GME. Sometimes a good trade doesn't cross, but the crosses confirm strength. Yes. SPYs, I mean, it's holding here up here. Let's see what happens with Micron. So when SPY comes up, when I think it's going to come up here and test this box, I think that's probably when I'll start to get out of Micron. When's the YouTube 1348 ad going to start airing? Probably never. Let's see. Did I do the 1348 video this weekend? No, not this weekend. I'll have it for next weekend. I got so busy, man. All right, let's see where we're at over here. $43% on Micron, 95% on the call side of the SPY, 90% on the put side of the Quad U. All right, let's see. Amy 1358. Micron. Selling. All right, might be time to get out of this one. I don't know. They're up 40%. I mean, if I had 4 contracts, I could get a free one, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. Lucid puts up $370. Robert, attaboy. Walmart. Ben, are we doing it here? Are we finally getting it? Yeah, there we go. There we go, Ben. All right, where are my Walmarts? They're still slightly down. Do you have puts on UUU? Yeah, I do. With crude falling, you think SPY is going to go up? I think that's a good estimation on that one. Micron. Yeah, coming back up here. Congrats on 77,000 subs. I appreciate that, buddy. Best tax advice, start with an S corp, pay yourself a salary. Once you're seeing consistent income, track your expenses. Yeah, I got to do that. I got to talk to someone. I still have to do, like, you know, STV make margin calls happen. They're just going to say no. Oh, SPY new highs. SPY new highs over here. Walmart coming back. Here we go, Ben. It's our time to shine here, Ben. Let's do it. Let's print some Walmart, huh? All right. We got $1.50 left to go for this test on the SPY, the box. So the call side of the SPY is up 109%. Micron testing 48 on the 1 hour. No, it can't be. Oh, on the upside, yes. So what's that? 71.90. No, that's the price right here. What's this? 72.36. Okay. Let's see. Qualcomm 15 just crossed next candle if we get this. Ooh, interesting. In lieu we trust. Sergio. Every day, bro. Every day you come in here with that nonsense. All right. Micron 71.84. All right. I might 40% is not a bad trade. I just usually expect more out of Micron, you know? I usually expect more out of it. So SPY still looks like it's going to test this box. Let's see. We need Lou candles. Yes, that is what we need. We need Lou candles. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, hit that like button on your way in. Helps a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for helping out with that today. I really appreciate that, guys. WTI crude oil free fall dropped 9% to 94. Oh my God. What's that now? 94.88. Jesus. That's ridiculous. Micron rejected at the high of yesterday. Yep. If it breaks that, spicy. Apple wants to reject off the 200 estimate. Interesting. Is it March 3rd? I don't know, man. All right. SPY looking at a new day high over here. Micron trying to come back up. Let's see. How do you exit strangles? I just sell them one at a time. I'll just sell. I want the put side. I want the put side to go to 0. I want one of the sides, the call or put, to just go to 0. Because then the other side is going to be up so much that it's like, okay, cool. 50% on the Microns, 109% on the call side of the SPY, making new highs over here, or it's about to make new highs. Amy, 1365. Let's see. No. Lou candles, not lubed candles. That's weird. You're weird. All right. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Let's see. Oh, Ben, Walmart coming back to life here. I like it. Keith, thanks for the super buddy, but I'm not strangling Jimmy. I'm not strangling Jimmy. Let's see. 46% on the Micron, 110% on the SPY. Waiting for that new high. Dude, lubed candles work too. They'd be slippery. All right, SPY's coming up. I don't know about Micron now. The things that we like to trade, like DraftKings, Micron, they're just not running the way we would expect them to. So, like, Apple's probably the winner right now. Nvidia's a big winner. Here we go. Ooh, wow. SPY came up to that new high and just went, rejected. 50% on the Micron, 111% on the SPY. Let's see. Keith. Keep it in the zoo. Can you tell me the reason of why you made calls and puts on the SPY ETF and not the index? Well, one, they're probably gonna be more expensive. There's another form of risk in the index, and like it just doesn't make any sense. It's so much easier to just trade the ETF. Let's see. Come on, SPY. Rising cross up over the 200. Watch out for a shark fin on that one. Watch out for a little shark fin. It's not over the 200 yet. Be careful. Micron still below 72. Yeah. X crossing up. Oh, you mother. Stop it. Stop it. Thank you. Anytime. All right. I'm still looking at that box test on the SPY. I'm shocked that this hasn't gone crazier. Affirm testing on the 3-minute to the low. Affirm just sucks. Where's this TLT? Oh, the TLT's kind of dead. Why do you start using the RSI? I just look at it sometimes. I just look sometimes at it. I'll like pull it up sometimes. I mean, I can take it off to make it look a little. Oh, that looks so much cleaner on my screen. I was using it earlier to see if the SPY was just an RSI cool off or if it was like really starting to come down. SPY's looking like it wants to approach that previous high again. Let's see. 47% on Micron, 112% on the SPY. Let's see. Stock up good, stock down bad. All right, 72 on Micron. SPY's still moving up here. RSI for setting things calm down. Yeah. Micron. What are we looking at here? Oh, it's still on a buy on the STC on the 5-minute. Nice. If Walmart breaks 145.48, we're looking at 146 next. Nice. Oh, Micron's popping here. 53% on these, 114% on the SPY. Here go. Hey. That was so rude. Whoa. Hey now. What's the news on this? Kiev not serious, find mutually acceptable solution. Oh, fuck. All right, let's see. Hold your Microns. It still looks good. I'm still up 46%. This is silly. This is kind of silly right now. All right, I think I'm ditching these microns just for funsies. Yeah, get this off my screen. What the hell is this nonsense? Yeah, so I'm out of the micron now. Walmart's came back down. Yeah, the SPY strangle just got busted. Where's Quad U? Selling off a little bit here, but that's a move and a half. Woo! Timber. Yeah, I didn't see the news on this, but that's big. That's 420, 425. All that's a $2 move. That's huge. Whoa. This is getting interesting here, folks. Oh boy. Hold on. Oxy candle? Which way? Yeah, I sold my microns for like, I think it was like 40%. Oxy coming up. Is oil making a move now? No, oil's not really making a move here. Can I wave my ankles and make AMC go up? No, that's not how this works. You sold just in time? There you go. SLV jumps with that news. Interesting. All right, where's Walmart? I mean, it's holding. Quad U going up? I don't think it is. I think it's selling off at the market. It's just holding here. It's not moving a whole lot. Check out Apple. I bet it tanked. Oh, squirrel. I mean, you got busted. I don't know when you entered, but like your Apple puts might be coming back. Use more words. All right, fine. I will use more words. All right. Amy just went flat, flickering here. SPY down to that 25 MA. It's up 1.25%. VXX looks like it's about to run again. Sold it all. There you go. You sold the Walmarts? What are you doing that for? Too scary? I'm good with it right now. I'm chilling over here. Rug pull? Oh, we were looking for it. It looked like it was going to rug at some point. We need ankle NFTs? No, we're not doing ankle NFTs over here, people. Oh, okay, Ben, that's fair. Your Walmarts were really, really up. Now it's my turn. Let's see. Amy Holden. It's down 5 cents right now. Not doing a whole lot. You close your VXX today. That should have been my YOLO play yesterday. Yeah, it's VXX will move a little bit with volatility, but like it's just look at this. Drunk. This is drunk. VXX is hammered right now. Talks broke down. Yeah, where's TLT? TLT, couple of candles over here, rejected on that 48. Walmart hit the high of 145.48 again, needs a breakthrough. Yeah, so where is that right now? It's like a, yeah, 145.21. It's bouncing off this little level here, so I'm going to hold it just because I want to. Putin made a statement, no progress. Yeah, I saw that. Let's see. Julian, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that a lot. Kenny G is publicly short GGPI. I swear when the merger is announced, the pain will begin. Log on hundreds of calls for May. Julian, good luck, buddy. Thank you so much for that super, bud. With the SPY reversing, just too uncertain. Yeah, I mean, we see these stupid moves sometimes, but in general, Walmart tends to hold. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here. It tends to just kind of do its own thing. Like over the last couple of weeks, we've seen those stocks do that a lot. So like, yeah, it'll get a little candle, but like if the SPY just holds, Walmart will probably come back up. It's the same thing that we were doing with like Diska and Viac like a couple of weeks ago, maybe even like a month ago when we were trading them. It was just like, okay, well, the market's going to do its thing, but if those cross up and start to run, they're going to go. Exxon run, all oil plays are coming back to life here. Hold on. Yeah, it is about to cross up here. SPY's coming back down to that level here. Walmart, what's it doing? Yeah, it's just kind of chilling. Oxy, is Oxy running back up? Yeah, Oxy getting some candles over here to the upside. Let's see. Do you see Highcroft yesterday AMC portfolio working for the company? Yeah, we saw that. Oh, guys, it is 12. So I have a very busy day today. I have to go clean out my car because I'm going to like trade it in and then get a new car after the stream today. So guys, I'm gonna head off and then I'm coming back on at 1:15. So make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out if you guys don't mind. It helps out a whole lot with all the YouTube stuff. If you guys don't mind, just clicking that button. It just helps out with overall the YouTube stuff and it helps me out a whole lot. So if you guys want to support the channel and me, I would appreciate it a lot. And if you guys do want to learn that 1348 strategy that we're using to just print money all the time, make sure you guys check out the link into the top of the chat over here in the Discord, or in the for the Discord. Make sure you learn the strategy. If you want to join the premium, by all means, go for it. We're gonna be coming out with a lower tier for you guys. It's basically like the day job people, where we're gonna give like 4-hour and daily alerts just so you guys can swing trade if you want to. But yeah, shout out to all the mods, all the people being positive, the members. You guys are awesome. That was a fun morning stream. So let's see if we can get back on it. And make some more money going into the end of the day. I can't even talk right now. A Ferrari, no. Guys, that's going to be it for this morning stream. Remember, hit that like button on the way out. Head over to TMI's channel, and peace.